Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Mixup and Blenda, Dawta.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for me damn bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
I mix up and blend. I mix up and blend that time. I mix up and blend that time. I mix up and blend that time.
Jane, good people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Next chemical in the building, Anting Peaches and Cream. Monica and the whole works. Ruthie in the building. Kimberly, she's here and she's awake. All right. Timmy, who's there? Antasha in the building. Delmarine, Monsieur Trumpet. Everita and the whole crew and sitting and thing. Lover girl. Yeah, the family there, you know, the family there. Nichelle, Marie G. Kimberly Saraga, your shirt is giving me a Cisco vibes. Remember them in Cisco shell down the 90s, no? Yeah, actually, this glowy thing was from the disco era in the 70s. Well, Kimberly, I don't know if you're old enough to know about the Donna Summer era, you know? The disco era when them type of shirt I did a mash up a place, you understand? Them time me a picnic. Picnic, whatever, but when the adults them who did do the disco thing, this was kind of their thing. Them kind of shiny something. But them shiny something here too, it came back in the 80s for a while. Some of you probably, yeah. The shiny thing was in the 80s for a while. Who remember in the 80s when... No. Yeah, it was the 80s. Yeah, when glitter. Remember when the glitter thing, they take off for a while, women and men, and things shiny and glitter something was for a while, you know, all it glitter, starry thing. And so them come in a style as so Jamaican beat them CMA because now come in a style and Jamaicans get left out of that. You mad? So Jamaicans running pan that all in a son at Jamaica glitter. Jamaicans are glitter. One whole heap of glittering. One whole heap of glittering go on and sitting and think. People big up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself. Raga, you look younger today. Did you bathe more than 3 times? No, just one. One time, you see, in them days, Nico, sit right. Tishornally, you use the right term I was trying. Sequence. Yeah. Sequence was a thing for a while. You know, in the 80s, you know, sequence was, you know, did I run the place for a while. Yeah, sequence was a thing for a while. Then in the 90s, briefly, some old style did come back for a while. Polka dot did come back for a while. Who remember that when polka dot did briefly come back in the 90s? Milo, big up yourself. When you say come on, you shower with 3.5 soap. That's a conversation from last night, you know, that around the place down. Yeah, who remember when polka dot came back for a while? And bright colors did come back for a while too in the 90s. In the 90s, bright colors. I mean, that's always relative in a tropical country because we're always in bright colors. But bright colors was a thing for a while in the 90s. And then for a while too, there was not only bright colors, but there were these neon colors, especially the green one. Right? Neon colors was a thing for a while, especially the green neon colors. Those were around for a while. Yeah, United Colors of Benetton, yeah. Yeah. I was there for a while. Remind me of the different fashion them around the place for a while. Well, for young people, what I'm about to say for young people, in Jamaica, for a while, for young people, for the ladies, not the men, obviously, leg warmers. Now, when you look back on them, something that you're like, in Jamaica, tropical hot Jamaica, yeah, leg warmers. Yeah, leg warmers are made to what? Warm up the legs, right? It's something that dancers use to keep their muscles warm when they're dancing so that they don't get injured. And yeah, flash dance, I think probably flash dance contributed to that. But leg warmers was a thing for a while. Yeah, you have all these Jamaican women that go around with leg warmers. At Jamaica, them have on leg warmers and thing. Yeah. Scars have never left Jamaica, It's just that it's mostly uptown people wear scars for, fashionable purposes. But not winter scars, though, but scars are used for a lot of evening wear by uptown people in Jamaica. All right. Leather boots, long leather boots. Those were, yeah, you're right. Long leather boots, like proper leather boots too. Some of them wasn't real leather, but the style was long leather boots, sexy leather boots. A woman wear them long leather boots with them mini skirt and them thing. Yeah, man, them thing they didn't mash up a place for a while. And some women really knew how to rock them, Yeah, some women were on point with them, Women who wear long leather boots with stiletto heels and thing and know how to walk. There's a special heels walk that is so sexy, right? But it, respectfully, most of the Jamaican women from my community who were wearing those shoes because they were in fashion, them couldn't walk in at them good. Them never have a sexy walk. I mean, I beat them down or put them down or anything. I'm just saying. There's a special way you walk that women who walk in those heels, that is just sexy. And women who are good at it, it's not something them have to think about or put on or whatever. It's just this natural, organic thing them have when them walk. There's you have some woman them put it on and them have a OD in it, and it's obvious that, oh, you're doing the heel walk, Mm-mm. The woman who had it down, the woman them who didn't know for rocket, man. You see those women and you just like, Yeah, I want some of that, Genuine. Them time they in your prime, Well, me, I might prime them time, them, man. What you say, Nancy? We need to get that black shirt here in more colors, though. All right. Nancy, big up yourself, Yes, I tell you, say, that boot something there, Ladies don't know it already. Men, we have a weakness to that boot something there, but again, it's only who know how to rock it. And back in them days, and make I tell you something, man. Enough Jamaican woman run up in that high heel, stiletto heel, boot, something and whatever, and them end up a flap themselves because them couldn't manage it, them couldn't walk in it. And then you have these people wearing these expensive shoes and with the really nice outfit, but because them walk did half, that just kill it. You just like, you can't see, you weren't seeing anything else except the awful walk that they had, Them never have the walk, man. Like you see Dan, You see Dan there? Me know say Dan never have a walk. Dan, you never have the walk. Me know you never have the walk, Dan. You couldn't manage the walk, right? Yeah, man, they walk too heavy or You see the one them who have the walk, it's upright, shoulders back, and you know, and it's a confidence, right? You see the one them who couldn't manage a walk, them end up a lean forward, and once you lean forward in a heels, you know, you flop already. Once you see woman a lean forward in her heels, you know, them flap already, you know, right? Because that, when a woman a lean forward, you know, her toes, them I get caught up in her boot, you know. One of the first thing enough woman do when time then toe get rotted up in her boot, you know, then lean forward, you know, because when they lean forward, it'll take pressure off her toe them. You understand? And then the other thing will come out now is the woman them who have the walk down and lock, they take measured lengthy steps. Right? So it can't do it just if I had a camera and whatever mode I show you, whatever. But it's like damn. And then them put in a little swing day night. Right? But it never Kitty, it never worked. How do I explain it? Ladies, you know what I'm saying, but how do I explain? You did have to swing without, you'd have to swing your hip without the woman I say, oh, I'm going to swing my hip. Does that make sense? And Tarsha, help me here. I put it this way. The women who ended up with the swing in their hips, my best guess is they didn't say, oh, I'm going to swing my hips, right? It's almost as if like the swinging of the hips, that friggin' sexy swinging of the hips, is almost as if that came out because of the attitude required to rock that outfit, if that makes sense. So the swinging just come out because it's a mood. And they know how to just switch in another mood. You know, ladies, you know me I talk about, and it comes with a certain amount of confidence, you know. So you find some of them women have that confidence and them a walk, it's like, do that something I want them, it's just like, damn, you just want to fling them legs by your shoulder and do the things them to them. Though, yeah, that's something there. But the woman them now who couldn't manage it. When them can't walk in the boot, them don't know how to walk in the heels, but them run in the fashion. What me say? The first thing them do, them end up a lean over. When you're in a high heels and boots and whatever, and you start lean over, you lose. Visually, you ain't eye candy anymore. And then the other thing gonna know, them go end up a take short steps. When you're in a heels and you're in a sexy outfit and you take short steps, and somebody like me with an eye for detail, here's the thing now. And the short steps them now go result in the upper body doing this. I'll explain. I'll explain because I'm a nerd. Raga is a nerd. So anytime you see a woman in a high heels, leaning forward, taking short steps, and her upper body start doing it, that is unattractive. And what do I mean? Them a step, you know, I see them upper body here. No, let me tell you, this is just ugly. You see, you don't know exactly what I talk about. You see, you don't know exactly what I talk about. And you see, somebody like me go see that now, I'm just like, oh, goddamn, goods not have it at all. So you find them in the boot, when they can't walk in the boot, or the boot that squeeze out them cloth, or the stiletto just is not something for them for wear and thing. So them end up bend over, them end up a take short step, and them upper body I do this. So them end up a walk in a the good tap dance, big outfit. See them, and I come, no. You don't walk in heels like that. That is not sexy. That is not sexy at all. And you find the people with them of these expensive $1,000 boot on them foot, $500 boot on them, something expensive outfit, all for naught. Naught. British word meaning zero. Naught. Because all we are see is yo goods now manage a thing at all, man. Nah, man, you see them. And then sometimes them have one friend, And when them are going on the boot, I squeeze them, They always have one friend, I look out for them, and you see them a holy friend. My holy friend, I have the friend, I want Angie, wait for me, wait for me, man. And you understand, and then my holy friend are coming, because the friend knows that the boot are clock them up in there, and then can't manage it, man. I won't lamp on the friend. And them a try fix, but the friend knows that the boot a beat them, So them a come in, the friend and try to support them, And you can't just sit the one in the heel and, And then you may have the friend who know for rocket, but you say, true, it coming like dancing, You can dance, But if you dance with somebody who can dance, you either make that person that look like them can dance good, or that person that can make you look like you can dance good, right? So if that person they know for follow you, them are gonna look like them can dance good, even though them can dance. Right? It's just coming like a partnership. So you see when that person that go out there with them friend now, and them friend outfit look good and all them something there, but through them there beside the friend and them the fun. Marcia, don't walk so far. Marcia, don't walk so far. Marcia, wait, look a bit. The shoes are, Jesus Christ, the shoes are, wait, look a bit. The video man come, hold on, the video man come. Stand up here, so look a bit. Stand up here, so don't move. Wait till the video light move. No, man, I can't fix the boot, man. Just hold on. Jesus Christ, my toe. And the video, all right. I could go over this, but walk slow. Don't walk, walk fast, walk. Yo, man, I tell you, man. People, hey, it's me terrible because there was a time, many of you know I'm a trained social scientist, right? And in my discipline, anthropology, one of my disciplines, we have a thing called ethnography, which is the process we use to study cultures. And it has a whole bunch of scientific stuff associated with that I'm obviously not getting into. But the essence of ethnography is what we anthropologists refer to as, you can look it up, it's called participant observation, right? Participant observation. For those of you who are interested in anything like this, you can Google it, you will get the fundamentals, but just actually the basics of participant observation. So I actively engage in that. So I would go to events all by myself, find a quiet spot, and I'll just observe. And when you're observing, you're seeking to identify, physical narratives, movement narratives, patterns, and then you want to decipher their meanings and things like that. And I enjoyed that intellectual exercise. That was fun for me. If I just go out some event and just watch all when women are coming and watch the whole rituals unfold, what you're supposed to do, what is happening there. Me love them something there. So you see people them with the heel and all them thing there, whatever. It was a joy for watching come in and can't manage to heal them, man. May I tell you a problem. All right. We're going to go in that topic, but I have one other thing that I want to share first before we go in that topic. Me hear a Dan I say whatever, because Dan, she couldn't manage to heal him back in the day neither, So I don't know what she come try to defend, right? And I hope she come in. I hope Dan, I hope I come here come and tell me, say, say Raga, you did right, I couldn't manage to heal them and things. Say it.
Raga. When it comes to somebody like me that come out of Barry Moncrief class, you cannot speak to me about heels. One of the first thing I was taught in dancing, I started dancing when I was 13 years old.
See me I do it there.
Yeah?
See me I do it.
Poister, proper, right.
Right.
Now, the next thing you do to go in those heels, we were trained to walk on the ball of our foot.
Right.
Not on our toe. on the ball of your foot.
Oh.
I studied not ballet dancing, modern dancing, dance contemporary. You're taught to do all sorts differently from ballet dancing. I couldn't manage the toe, so I was practice. We call it you walk on your releve.
Yeah.
Releve is not the toe, it's the ball of the foot.
Right.
No, if you do that, it's easy for you to walk. Walk the money, bring it come. Walk the money, bring it come. That's the walk you're talking about.
Okay.
You ain't falling. So when you do that walk, your bottom going right, left, right, left. Naturally.
Naturally, without you consciously, I say, oh, let me move my bottom right.
No,
that's the point I was trying to make.
You don't have to move. You don't have to move nothing. Once you're on the ball of your foot, or you practice to be like that, when you walk in, what the money come for you.
No, and you know what it is? Because you would talk to some woman and you say, my girl, make you love walk and wine. So, and when some woman respond by saying, no, man, not wine, they're telling the truth. Them not really set out for wine. Them not really set out for wine. Them, of course, them assume a different posture and a mood based on the outfit with them have on, but the wine, the one them was sexy is that the wine just come in natural, you know, it's not force, you know.
But it's not a wine. It's just how the body flows naturally.
Yeah.
But there's another thing. You see that material you have on there in the shirt?
Yeah.
Make a woman who know how to walk, wear that material in a skirt. That's when you're gonna see the body. Yes, that type of material. That's when you're gonna see that flare. And it also happens even when she's not walking like that. It's just the material just sway.
No, because this is kind of like a bedroom material.
I know that.
It's a lingerie type of material.
Yes.
And it's unisex. Because if men know for rock, this the man can look sexy, right? But women will wear full robe in this and just turn you on to based on how them know for do it. You understand?
I have a robe.
Right.
Satin. I have a robe that I only can wear to Jamaica. England too cold for wearing. It's in Jamaica. It's some that material that you're wearing. When I came on just now, I said, Raja, and Raja, I'm not.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
I didn't say Raga.
No, I get Raja a lot, so I'm just work with it. You know, at this point, I have an alter ego on the show, and it's Roger. Okay.
But from 16 January. It so happened that I can't wear heels anymore. I had an accident where I broke my ankle. So,
what you did I do like a really creative sexual position and hurt yourself?
No, I stepped down the last step of the stairs.
Oh,
I made that final step. Not slip. I twist the ankle and went down. And
I'm sorry.
The bone break and it went through my skin. So you hear pow, pow.
Damn.
I had metals in my foot for a few years. I took them out 2022.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I see someone wrote something in this comment about shoe. I only wear block heels now.
Okay.
Block heels is like thick heels, very thick ones. Some of them shaped like blocks, some round, some square. But they're very good shoes to stand in party in.
Okay.
I still go to party and wear those shoes. Very dressing ones, very lovely ones.
Okay.
So, ladies, if you're going to Raga Bash and you want to keep your heels on and don't carry no extra slippers with you, yes, wedge heel is good as well. You can get very fashionable block heel shoes. If you want, you can DM me and I can send you samples of how some of those fashionable block heels look.
Okay, 1 second. Antarsha, Munche, CBS, Tambourine, Milo won't be there. But U5 in particular, and Nakibi, U6 in particular, link down and take down advice and thing, because from my from my past observation of you guys, you are the ones who need to know how to tell them again, Dan, because they have a little problem there, you know.
They can type it in. If they're gonna buy shoes on the internet, they can just type in Block Heel, BLOCK, not BLACK.
There you
Block
go.
heels.
Right.
And you see different styles of block heels coming. Not wedge heel. Wedge heel is different.
Oh, so Chrissy there too, the ANC woman then. And talk show up, you're listening and what. You don't have to say this to the SDC woman. They already have this covered, you know, but you can tell the ANC woman, you know.
Am I ANC as well?
Are you what?
ANC. Am I ANC? You said ANC and another group. Which one am I?
I'm just telling you to give the ANC advice. I'm telling that the SDC women don't need to hear this. They already know.
So I am SDC. Okay. All right.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Yeah,
I used to work at SDC.
You are in my crew, and my crew is the Spray Them crew, the SDC.
Okay.
You're in my crew.
We are fashionable people, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
I want you to know that the ANC, though, they are notorious for recruiting people from the other group, you know.
Yeah, because they just said it a while ago. I just see comments.
You just see what? What?
Somebody write down his ANC.
No, that's what I'm saying. They're gonna come after you. They do that for everybody, and they're very sneaky. I'm forewarning you so that you know, and them catch people with different things, you know. Like Tambourine, them catch her with one second-hand boot, It was already a Fiat boot and it was second-hand. Right. So them catch her with a second-hand Fiat boot and thing, and that them catch her with, and she run go over there because she licky and did an anchor over there and whatever. So they've been known to catch some people with some. But
wait there. Who write that? Squeaky, where you get that from?
What Squeaky right?
Look at Squeaky.
What Squeaky right? What Squeaky right?
Don, me right.
Dan,
he's spelling right with a double. Squeaky, do you know that's my adoptive name? Don Wright. Squeaky, where you get my name from?
Don, come on. Squeaky has everybody's name. All the women name, you know? Right? So you know that. Come on.
Squeaky, hey.
It's Squeaky.
Squeaky reaching on my DM already still there. Hey, but me turn him off.
Queen Nash, Squeaky ever stepped to you in your DM? Queen Nash, Squeaky ever moved to you in your DM? Let me see if Squeaky, when I know him, Squeaky, when they ask Squeaky move to everybody, you know. Let me see if Squeaky moved to Queen Nash. I have a reason why I'm ask. Queen Nash, Squeaky did ever move to you in your DM?
Long time. She said long time.
Wait there. Oh, long time. Okay. Yeah, Squeaky no partial, nothing, you know. No, Squeaky, I want them man there where approach a woman with so much confidence that when them a look them, that the woman I wonder like, damn, I can't be all that if him can come at me with so much confidence.
Yeah. So ladies, remember, go and look at the Black Heels. They will be very fine for you because Raga gonna come back on the show and laugh after people. I'm telling you from now.
No, let me just say. No. I don't want people to afraid for weird and close come at my event. I really don't do that, okay? However, I don't know, you know, when I run the show, you notice, because sometimes some people say, oh, you only call certain people name, and what they don't understand is, I only pick on people who, me pick on you. You understand what me I do. You understand me I say that? Yeah, not everybody understand what me I do. Some people, me pick on them, I'm going to see them again, them get, right? So so at my events, I want people feel weird, you know, because particularly women are sensitive some women are sensitive.
I'm talking to the SDC people.
No, the ANC.
The ANC people.
The ANC people, yes. No, well, them know say me I go trouble them. So come on.
I'm telling them from now.
Right.
I'm telling them from now, if they have that problem where they have to walk with the slippers to go to the party, you know, they can check in the black heel, because when I start wearing black heel, that's the first thing I did. I went online but I couldn't get any. I was going to a boat ride in Jamaica. It's only when I went to Jamaica I found a black eel.
Okay.
Yes, so black eel is
All right. So Munchie here and thing and Antarctica here. Those two especially, them have problem of walking a heel. So we see how it goes. And I'll definitely keep you abreast because I know me can't war them, you know. So I'm a friend them. So that's good. But Don, as usual, it's always a pleasure. Until your bedspread.
Munchie, let me tell you.
Don, I ask you a question. Your bedspread.
Raja can't draw me out. Me the Raja side.
That's right. Okay.
He can't draw me out. Me know where him a come from.
So
me can't follow behind him.
don't listen to the psychs here. Don't listen to the psychs. All right. Big up yourself here, Dan.
My bed not spread enough. I'm lie down tonight. I pull it up and lie down tonight.
Okay.
Sometimes I not spread the bed. Sometimes I leave it, make it ear out.
Ear out. That's true. That's
Yes.
good. That's good.
But you see, over one side of my bed, sometimes it becomes the office.
I understand.
Empty.
It's empty. All right, Dan. Blessings and respect. Long time. All right, man. Blessings here.
Yes,
Cool. Mm-hmm. All right, we not juggling the people. I want to know the topic where we're depending on. We want to start while, you know, want to come in with one and come in with while we get down in and mix up them. So we're depending get catch a gibbon mix up or any other mix up we want to have. Get catch a gibbon mix up or any other mix up we want to have. I still want to give me on the back in the days mix up. Something happened to me back in the days. Uno start that and then mix up they mix up the shot, right? So any mix up on have like some crazy things that happen to me back in the days or some crazy sitting where go down back in the days. I want to call in and give me them mix up there to see. Or any mix up will involve, you know, anybody I get catch a gibbon, right? Anybody you know, yourself or somebody else who get catch a gibbon. Greetings.
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's up?
How are you doing?
You know something good?
So me have a mix up for gear.
All right, hold on. You have a music thing I play behind you. You can't turn, huh?
Hold on there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Or move her from it.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, man, I hear you now. Yeah, man, talk to me.
So me have a mix up for gear.
Yeah.
It happened recently.
Yeah.
So I'm married, right?
Yeah.
I'm married. And
Mhm.
we go Jamaica this year to just get away from some stress that me have here.
Right.
So I spend 2 months, but tell my husband say, listen me I go Jamaica for, you know, for just take a breather and, you know, get myself together and just come back. You understand what I say? So I go
Yeah.
Jamaica and hang out with some of my friends them
Yeah.
and thing. Then
Yeah.
them invite me on party and I meet this boy.
Yeah.
And and then I tell my friends that I like him type of situation. And then me never know say she and my friend. So then she go over there go tell him. So then the boy start draw down for me.
Yeah.
And then, you know, things
Yeah.
happen. Anyway.
What? Why you hurting me? Why you hurting me? You just hurt me. You know that, don't? You just said things happen and you move on. As a mix-up maestro, you
But
tell
I
me.
try to slip it past
Yeah, no, don't do me that. You can't say things happen. Now, Raga, you attack to her and get like things happen.
Listen,
Things
yes,
happen.
things happen.
Things happen.
Yeah, and it never take too long because whenever they get no good something from my husband. So
All
then,
right. And was it good?
yeah, it still I'm up to now. Me I fly out October to go get
No, all right. Go back to from. So things happen, and then what? And then
so
what?
things happen.
Yeah.
And so I stay on Monday there with the boy. Anyway, the boy knows I'm married and stuff, but him did stay in at the Airbnb with me and stuff like that and understand say, you know, us is still there and you know, go and keep the thing from the low down and
Yeah,
stuff.
because
Anyway,
Ozzy they are firing him. No, so Ozzy they
Yeah.
up at your home and thing. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Mm-hmm.
Anyway, now when just after all of that, so then everything finished and then come back. Because I'm so tired, I'm gonna sleep 3 days.
And when you say tired, it means you did not go hard, no?
Yeah, because I'm there for herb and, you know, get all I
Yeah.
want me could have get before me could have go back.
You'd have to
So I'm gonna
herb and
sleep
make sure
3
so you
days.
get a good dose for 3 days non-stop, you know? So you get a whole heap for whole year when you go back home, no? Yeah. All right. Go on. Oh, wait, you break
Back
up.
in the phone.
No,
So anyway, I come back home and stuff.
Yeah,
you
you did a break up a while ago. Yeah, but we are here you now. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So anyway, you know, I come back, I come home and stuff, and never remember stuff. You know, change out the number, them delete one for delete out. As I say, I should have listened to you when I said no take the picture, no store nothing and them some of that. Anyway, I store the picture them and whatever. When I come home now, the guy I call me for just check up some reach home and you know if I find and stuff. Then Ozzy go see the message them in the phone and start going that bag or something.
No, hold on. When you say pictures and thing, I don't know.
So I take picture of me and no, Sato.
No.
Like me and the guy I kiss up and stuff in the phone.
Oh.
And me did that on a Rio hotel
Yeah.
for the week, one of the week them. So we take up a bag of picture and something. So
Wait,
then
what a
all
Rio?
of the
What year? Moby? Which Rio?
Mobile, the
Moby.
new one
Okay.
will build up.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't have Palmot.
I got take up a whole heap of picture and all these things, right?
I hold up a picture and all these things and left the picture them or something in the phone. Then Ozzy come home, like him pick me up from the airport or come home, but the phone did ring, so Ozzy take it up and see the person I call. So then him answer and then the guy here say him on the phone, so him hang up. So then Ozzy say, you know, it looks suspicious. So then him go in at the phone and search of the phone and see Mr. Man picture, my picture, the text message and everything in the phone.
And hold on, they text them pepper.
Come here, I tell him say, I want him come over, come give me.
Wait, come give me. Wait, like you say something, like you say anything sassy in I text, like.
I want him come give me some. You know what I mean? But then that's some we use.
And something you say something like you want him come.
Give me F.
Yeah, come, you know, F out the wall and and so Ozzy see them something there? And when him say?
Him go and bad man up to know him not trust me back again. So I'm supposed to go down in October for go see figure because October and birthday, I know him a listen Jesus Christ and tell me for call you and tell you. And it's a dear.
Well, Mr. Man down at Jamaica listen right there though.
Yes, it's a dear. And I'm telling me for call you and tell you. But what go on, so this is a dear, everybody. I'm going to call you and tell you.
Well. You born a man dear, you first have to call Raga and tell him about what going on.
Because him know me always I listen to you and him say, I bet you call him and tell him, so. I'm going to tell him, so.
Yeah, so I'm listen right now and think, I know.
Yeah.
No, but I'm interested though. When you did take, you know, you say, look, stress, it depends, you take a trip to Jamaica.
So my mother passed away in November last year. Very, very, very nice lady. So she passed away in November. I have to deal with her funeral and stuff. So right through, me never get for grief nor none. Because me there back and forth. I deal with, you know, estate and everything. So then me did just tired of everything. So me did just want to go Jamaica. Just go take some stress.
Hold on. Tired of everything. Take some stress. Was any of the stress related to Obi?
Everybody, and not just Obi alone. It's just everybody.
Okay. No, but I'm just asking because some people are gonna be curious, like, you know, given that you drop a Jamaican, you go on with a little thing, you know, and the man said probably like Obi, what did that go on with Obi make you do that, you know?
Obi something did that go a long time, like me and him married for years, somebody just understand say him and not good with the start out. I just love him personality. I come out and abusive relationship and then him treat me and give me the world. And you know everybody can bash my feet, but Yeah, sometimes you just want.
Oh, so well, first of all, Obi, it's unlikely that Obi would be listening this, right? Come in,
No,
okay, good.
no,
Him
no,
not listening, him not listening. So what
no.
I'm saying, so what you say, you come out of an abusive thing and you met a nice guy who turned out to be hobby, end up treating you good because that, that was the opposite of the abusive thing. But you're saying that along with the nice guy, a good man and all them something there,
Yeah, I think so. I could have settled for just a
second,
nice guy,
right?
the good guy, and just say, all right, we can do without the sex. Oh God,
No, you can't
the
say that. You can't say
intimacy.
sex. You can't say sex. That's okay here. You can't
Okay.
say sex.
Yes.
So you
So
say you
do
can't
without
do
the
without
sex.
the sort out and thing.
Yes.
Oh, and then now, so hobby have some limitations in other year of them. Can't really.
It's not a limitation. It can get up and but not my one, if you understand.
I know you're what?
It not good like Jamaican one.
Oh, what is it? A stamina thing or it no or a size thing or what? What is it?
I don't know. It's just I in a sense him a big man, but him act like little boy type of situation. So him can't sex and him can't eat none of them. So I don't know if
No, but when you say him can't sex, what is it that him can do that you say like the Jamaican them can do? What you mean? What him can do?
belly button move up, man.
What that?
Belly button move up with the
Oh,
Jamaican.
oh, him not have that. What is that look like almost like a gangster thing, a confident, assertive thing? Him not have that something there?
I don't know. Probably it just now work. It just now work
It
for
just
me.
not. Oh, but him instrumental work, but it just not
It,
work for you.
yeah.
Honestly, though, I'm still little lost when they say I'm coming like a little boy. When they say a little boy,
Like them look a young, soft type of guy that would, just like get in a real relationship and, you are him really first real girlfriend type of situation.
okay. So him not have no knowledge and experience about some assertive, confident thing for man up on you when I'm in my shelly out, right? Him not have that something there, right?
I don't know, but me try teach him whole heap of time and he just teaching go over him head. So me just, me just left it alone.
Okay. And when you teach him, what you do? You tell him to take charge and be more. What you tell him?
Assertive, waiting for touch, waiting
Assertive.
for go.
Yeah.
Waiting for touch, waiting for focus plan, waiting for,
Yeah.
type of situation. So
And then him can't catch on and thing. Him just don't
no,
know that. So.
because even Jesus Christ, me can't say that part.
No man, you can't say it, man. Just fix it up. Fix it. Just fix it up.
No, I know for
Just say.
you. I know for you. I but me no want you.
Oh.
But we try teach him.
Yeah.
We try. But anyway, me I go down October and my father have a real sickness, so me have to go down at the hospital.
Yeah.
We got deal with, so that's why me have to go down again.
Right. So, but but so when you go down, you also
No, but this are the lie. This are the lie for cover up.
This are the
You
life
go
to
down.
cover. Because we know when you go down, you are going to go down. Right? When you go down again, you are going to go down again, don't it? Yeah.
So
when you go down again, you are going to go down again. Yeah.
So that's my excuse to go down in October for Bonaman's birthday.
Well on. Jesus God. Him born after the Bonaman we are watch right here now. Tell me, him born after the 22nd or before. Him a Libra or Scorpio?
I'm at the 17.
Oh, him a Libra.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Bonaman game up though. Thing turn up down. Bad down.
Shot.
Jesus. When him a put it on you all kind of style, bend you up and get the full alphabet and lean it and slant it down and all these things down.
Raga, there's nothing that a boy that a shatter. Nothing. I mean, I tell you, same young that I make. But couldn't believe it because when we meet him at the party, we say, and him a put talk to me, We say, look how me gonna mash out the boy and you know give him a one sort out and cut.
Yeah.
Tell you Raga, boy hold my man.
Man, I tell you them
Boy,
damn Jamaican man they see, man. So when you say when him hold you and put it out, so the difference with him now, when he massage you now, like what the confidence level, or that come out physically, like when him a deal.
Raga, nothing can touch him confidence. Remember me tell you,
Yeah.
nothing at all can touch him confidence. Cause him himself praise himself. And when me I hear him I praise himself, me I say, no, him can't bad so. So me I tell you, if anybody don't be, Jesus Christ I hope the one that know me. Them know say me a real out the road, girl. But
Yeah.
boy bad man. Boy bad
All
out
right.
of this world.
We're here, we're not judge. But from a farmer bonnerman who take him things serious to the brethren, yeah, watch and thing. And it sound like, you know, you're staying in your lane. No disrespect. It sound like you're staying in your lane and you respect good, yes, and you understand the marriage and you know what your role is. And it sound like you perform good based upon the evidence presented just now. So from a leader in the Bonnerman fraternity, you know, and whatever, more I say, big up yourself, you carry yourself good and whatever. And when goods drop back down there in October, stand tall. Stand tall. All right, then. Big up yourself. Well, you accepted the deer, and deer completed and thing. You know, say my dead with laugh right now.
You know what? Him and his mother supposed to dead with love.
We, him and his mother.
Yeah, him and his mother supposed to dead with love.
Oh, so his mother know what's up, though.
Mm-hmm.
All right, mommy, big up yourself. Mommy, you think you easy too? You know what I want, though.
Thank you, Raga.
All right, man. Bless up, man. Cool.
Let me know.
Yeah, man, I take care. Yeah, no. You say, mommy know what I want. Oh, iced tea, I do it today, yeah? Not iced tea, iced coffee. Right? So it's ground coffee. I make my coffee. I'm going to throw it on a whole heap of ice. Right? So, you know, who not going to drop asleep tonight, no? Yeah, Netflix. When the show done, later in my bed, I watch the Netflix, do some work. Because me drinking this, and I got to drop asleep, and me drink a big something of this already, you know? So, I'm going to be exhausted tonight. Kimberly, that is not license for you to tell me about me for stay till 12 o'clock tonight. Because I know she. I know Kimberly. And when she a drop asleep, she'll tell you for stay up. All right. Sub life tonight. I'm going to just drop in the show them and find a mix up them and thing. I remember on a call in with a mix up too. And we're going to continue the sex school. We have sex school going on in Sub Live now, you know. People call in and them tell you how to do certain things. One of the things I want to call in another Sub Live tonight, subscribers only live, what I'm going to segue from this show and go over. Munchie, so what is wrong with you staying up? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Staying up is good. Yeah. Well, man, say, so ladies, you know, I want to call in at the Sub Life tonight and share for the man them. You know, the problem enough man have them just feel a friend and go in there. All them have to do, I do this, and that's it. But from what I've read, there's a lot that, you know, there's a lot more men can do after them going to make it more interesting. Some of it has to do with speed. Some of it has to do with, you know, I'm using examples, you know. Some man go at the living room door and just feel so them can go. Sometimes you can pause at the living room door and go on like you go open the door, but don't open the door. Or you can feel up at the top of the door first and thing and whatever and make good feel like say you're coming, but you're not going in the living room yet and thing. And you ladies, some of this one want to share with the man them, you know? Some of the things them what them can do for make it interesting and fun, as opposed to just you step in at the living room. All right. So we're going to cover some of those things in the sub live today. And again, people, for those of you in the chat, you see the people with the ragga beside them name, those are subscribers. Those are the ones who are going to be in the sub live today. And them are going to right through. And if you're not yet a member or a supporter of this account over here as a subscriber, you can subscribe right now for yourself. TikTok have a little problem right now, so people cannot give other people a sub. So for people you asking for a sub, TikTok have a little issue. You know, people who want to give others sub, they cannot do it right now. So for example, Hershey you just asked, they can't do it right now. And my suspicion is because TikTok is converting the subscription model over to something called Superfan that will be activated on the 15th of September. So my best guess, that is why people can't give other people subs. But you can sub yourself, right? So you can subscribe yourself. So everyone now listening right now who is not yet a subscriber here, you can subscribe yourself, right? And all you have to do is press the star at the bottom with the circle around it and thing, and you'll be able to become a subscriber over here, okay? And then, okay, right? And then you can enjoy our most interesting subscribers only lives that we have over here, okay? Ratted. What you know? Wagwan turkey gooders.
Me there, what's up?
Why? Me there, man. Me full of energy, full of vibes and thing, and fully blessed and the whole works and thing and whatever. Oh, you not sound tired?
Tired? Last time I'm not tired, Raga.
No, but you're supposed to tired.
I sleep all day today.
Well, you sleep all day today, though.
Yes, man.
And by the way, people, if you haven't been listening to the show constantly, you won't get them inside joke, okay? But well, then, so certain people going back?
Yeah, man, from Monday.
From Monday, okay, so yeah, rest up here now, though.
Yes, man, and I will be going back to work on Monday.
Going back to work on Monday. So this is your rest week because, you know, you've been a deal with what you have to deal with and sitting down.
Yes, Raga, enjoy me holiday. They all over Jamaica.
Jeez and peace. Money. Yes, man, you're supposed to enjoy yourself. You deserve it. Okay.
You travel all over the place, man. Enjoy
Sure.
me holiday for true.
Very nice, very nice. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you, you know. So happy for you, turkey good as. All right. But why go and chat to me, you know?
Why me there? I cook so ackee and saltfish and look white rice, yeah.
Me can get some.
Then I must.
All right, man. Hey, when I come to Jamaica, I'm going to look for you, you know, more look for you, more look for Ilian and thing and whatever. You see it, all right?
It's you come to Jamaica, man. Anywhere you're there at Jamaica, me find you.
Don't worry yourself, man. When me make a link and thing, me serious, man, because when I want to go to Jamaica, I want to go fairly soon too, you know, and just, you know, 2 weeks or a week and just, you know, I want some content and thing because there's more go different parts of Jamaica and, you know, really I make people show me. You say, I live a job over there now. And you say, Raga, you know, one place over so one nice little river down, so me want to see that river there. Me want to see, you know, them look at something there, you know? And things, see?
Yeah,
So,
and I know, so me subscribe since evening, yeah, for 3 months. There's, when I say November, I do
Oh,
something for renewing it.
okay. Very good. Respect and blessings, man.
Me did a text and I tell us if you look on the screen, if you come up, but me never, you three did talk to the girl.
Oh, no, I know, so I see two subscription come up for you, you know. Two subscription come up for you, but you me did talk to her and thing and whatever, me never. Okay, okay, all right. Respect, man. Blessings and respect and thing, you know, and you don't know. Ratings and honor there. So, yeah.
You know, so me out order though.
With what?
You know, say all when me dey on holiday, all sort out the show dey on the people them dress over in a hotel room and I show go on.
Don't tell me say you make a show go on when you do so.
I don't come up here, my man. You are your Raga show, you know.
No, wait, what? Even when you not do so, yeah, the show on.
Yes, Raga. When you gone for subscribe in live, the other live, me have a show right in there play. Me say me nah lucky half, you know, Baba, cause you know me with it, you know, so you have to left me with it. And when you gone, this a show on my show.
I'm telling all the while, you know, and no found a woman make man eat me and see me eat me, I not do them nothing, you know.
This I wanna know hate you because in no long time say me a listen show for me I'm just meeting always hear me a listen show on radio say no.
Okay, so I'm just work with it.
Yeah, you just have to work with it.
Yeah,
and
but
when me daddy hotel a cooking and me tell say me a cooking me dey on the show see when I put it on the phone and I listen to that do what me I do, you know.
yeah, but not when you not do so.
And when me I do so, I got 3 phone me have. And anytime one battery run down, me go on the next phone.
No, I still insist. You don't know if you do that when the man, some man can't manage him something, you know.
No, Raga, but the thing about it, if me I listen to the show, how you feel that way, you have to work with the show. Well, wait till the show done. Simple. Well, if you can't work with the show, you don't work with the show.
Well, point taken. So
Yeah,
if you
miss the show. Must say 2 days like I literally ball me a ball, everything miss me. Because me up on the road and the full internet now pick up good.
yeah. But remember, say sometime we go from like most of the time at 6 o'clock or a little after 6 until after 10, 11. So you're gonna make the person and wait so long.
Me, Raga?
Yeah.
That's why me say you have to do it in between the show.
Well, you have to get in between the show, right?
In between the show.
I got. But you say him work with it though, so it's not bad.
Yeah, man, he work with it. He not trouble me none at all. And you no hear me. You know they know me no hear you this evening.
Oh, okay.
If you no hear me having the earpiece in my ears, you can't hear what me I listen to, you know. So sometimes me have me earpiece in my ears when me I do anything, see how we. You know?
Well, I'm going to tell you what did happen at Falmouth with the woman. You never hear me tell about what happened at Falmouth with the woman with that. Eh?
With the earpiece?
Yeah, me never tell you what go on with that with one woman.
No, me not quite remember now.
Our man I tell her, she should stop listening. And she said she not stop listening. Right? So the man not like me because I'm kind of jealous. So she can't miss listening to me. Right? Them end up argue about it and fight about it and all them something. All right. In my pressure off her front now and thing and whatever, but she said she want to listen to me. But in my pressure off her front, when me on for prove a point. She now give into him and say, all right, then boom, me go and listen. And go on, me go run the front by her. So she did it and him do him thing. When him do him thing, I must go get close to her. I saw him pick up his sitting in her ears. While she do it with him, she a listen me. You know, so them end up stab up them one another.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah, man, them end up stab up them one another. Serious thing, that not fall, man. Because him get mad and move to her and him stab her and she stab him up back and whatever. It got crazy. I keep it 100 with her. I said, B, let me tell you something, man. Respect say, you're loyal and I listen Raga and you enjoy the thing and whatever, but you see, you have to understand, men have fragile egos, you know, enough man can't manage them something there, you know.
Raga, different, you know, you see, as me tell you, say, the man is a cool person.
Yeah.
Respect. Raga,
Wait, Jen Bless, big up yourself, Jen Bless, me see that. Yeah, go on talk.
That the man that is over 10 years now, and little,
Yeah.
Raga, that the man that never, nor me, never one day cuss at each other, nor disrespect each other. Never, Raga. Me never see nothing like that yet.
Yeah. Okay.
If we have a disagreement, we sit down and talk about it, and it no cause no conflict.
Then I saw
One
it for
say
go.
yes, one say no, or one apologize, or the other apologize. I reckon me and him not having no conflict.
Yeah. I saw it go, man. I saw it for go. I saw it for
Never
go.
more. That's why Mr. Raga me always say to myself, say, if me not Jamaica, I may talk to somebody, and if he might ever sleep, always one thing always I come up and say to myself, say, the man who me I will take care of me, never disrespect me, not make alone no boy for disrespect me.
See it.
Nobody for disrespect me. Cause me never get a disrespect from that man there yet more than that man show me love Raga. And Raga, you know say, me not have to with up on the road every day. You know say, take sick before him go away. With like a stomach problem, and me if you can't go a doctor, Raga.
Oh, and you take care of him though.
And Raga, me look about him down to the day when him left Monday morning, he's sick. Raga, me have to get up and boil porridge and sit and give him. Before he left me boil soup, give him and make him drink just the soup water, just to keep his stomach up. Raga, by the time he reach a airport, Raga, when me in a car, me have the Bible on my phone and he send me a notification, send me to start pray, Raga, me sit down at the back of the car and I pray, Raga. Raga, me a sinner, you know, me no straight, but I pray and me say, Raga, by he reach a airport, the man get up strong. Raga turn up in the line for nearly a hour before check-in time. Raga yeah, that strength, Raga, and do road, go home. He never sick. He said stomach not really 100 in about God, you know, give him the strength to fly, if go. Because him did that say not thinking can fly the way he did feel.
Oh, okay.
And you know, if you go England a whole heap of hours and 9 hours, 9.5, and if you plane go delay and all of them something there, you know? You know, so it take time.
Right. No, man, respect for that, man, and thing. And
Raga, me say when the man go over, the man say, text me and say, boy, me I tell you, thanks to look about me. You always a look about me. You understand? Me always a look about him, Raga. Me look about him. Raga, me look about him so when he come to Jamaica, when he ma go in Raga, everything when he want to care up, you know. Me carry me draw sorrel game, me bake cake, me bake pudding. Raga, me give him ackee, me give him everything, fried fish, everything we fi carry up.
yeah.
Raga, me put it, me pack two suitcase and give him fi carry up, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
No, man, that's good, man.
And in rum, you know, they love rum, Raga. Me buy 6 buckle give him.
Sure.
And when he go up, he say, go through with them. Me say, me did that fret, you know, because you know, say they limit with the rum and you have to buy your duty free.
Yeah.
Raga, I give him everything where he carry up, Raga.
Yeah.
But nice and comfortable.
Take care of him. A man love them something there, you know. Enough woman understand them thing there, you know. You should have take care of something there and them something. You have one woman over here, she named Lanoy. She want a man take care of her and she don't know if he take care of a man and whatever. I hope Lanoy, I hope you listen. Oh, yeah, I saw woman for take care of a man.
Mr. Raga, we have one little story for you, but we can't get to that one next night. Never give. You know what's a little dirty man selling house, Raga? I don't give picking them not even a $10 bag juice out of it. Raga, that is another story.
No, man, you have to go tell. No, you have to go tell me that one right. No, tell me right.
Mr. Raga, the also me did tell us some of the bill upon the boy people land. And me and him left Raga. But Raga, for me and him left for 10 years, I say, alright, show myself out of it. Because the house did bill for sell to the backside company. That's what it bill for. And then me and him break up now, Raga. And we have 3 picnic together, Raga. 3 picnic in a Raga.
Yeah.
And for the 10 years, me and left, you know, and left the house. So, you know what, duckans nyam down the hood them and then something they like. So, the value, Raga. But the boy get $4 million, Raga. Plus, he get 250,000 out of him at the house. Raga, you know what I say? The boy not get the picking and not even sweetie. Raga not even a phone call. The boy take the money go buy truck, Raga. And we need a one car when they take out a one car mad somewhere man the village must finish pay off and pay in wife loan and do what want do with the Raga. Not even dollar in dog gain tree picking them Raga. And then when we talk, then something me know and make people hear people me say, oh, how why you do the man? I never do that man nothing. Raga, me and live 11 years and I mash up in relationship. Be kind too bad. And Raga I couldn't stand it no more. Me didn't have enough of him. If Raga for you can't left out of here and go next door. Go sleep with my friend and read my friend and do all type of nastiness, Raga. One day I go come, me have to get fed up. And he never stopped doing it.
And this is the same husband who did go breed your best friend.
Yes, him same one. We never did marry, not my husband picking the pooper.
No, well, you see a man who got breed your best friend.
Raga,
The best friend who you did a help. You did a help her and a look out for her because fear man did leave and whatever this and that and the same one.
It's same one, Raga. Raga the boy get the Mr. Raga in half his suffer. I mean no God I'm gonna make him suffer. You know why I'm gonna make him suffer, Raga? You have your picnic there, Raga, in that to maintain them in a field can go court in a Raga. And when they can go court in a Raga, 5 somebody use can testify against me saying give them money in a Raga. And the judge asked him the question, when I do so many people come in if they can testify about me about pick the money. What them have to do with it? And a family matter. Raga is when the judge finding guilty and he say have to pay me the money and bust out a ball in the court. In ball. I tell the judge, me nah no money, me nah no work. When we forget it, the judge say you have to pick me. And that I say, I lucky judge then lock him up.
Right.
And when I give him time to pay the money, Raga, you know, come a court for come pay and send his wife till one time judge tell his wife say don't come back. Yeah. And
him not do nothing for the youth them right now.
Raga, I back to school, you see, and I'm brother, I'm a twin, you know. I'm twin brother. Give them $50,000. Me go pick up Monday.
For real?
Yeah, and he tell me say out of the money when get off my mother house, and give the pitney them $50,000 out.
And him get how much millions and him not give him youth them anything.
1 million. He get Raga plus 250 out of my mother house and him don't give them. And Raga, when me go up in court office yesterday, if you go fling a salmon span him. Because one of my picking him up here for Raga and one we are 18 years old. And at $2,000 a week, he just say if he pay like a long time, we are going to quote in a Raga. And he make his money run over to 120,000. So Raga, if you pay $2,000 for one picking a week, how much week you not pay money till you reach out to 120,000?
Well, and that's like a year, you know, pretty much, you know, more than a year.
That means you know, give them nothing, you know, give the one picking nothing, Raga. Say, you know, give that the one the nothing. Plus, you know, give them nothing.
And people just want to remind you, she's in Jamaica. Jamaica, she there, okay? So when she say $2,000 a week, it's $2,000 a week Jamaican, obviously.
Jamaican dollar can't buy nothing, Raga.
Right. I just want people to know, say, yeah, you know.
And I did 2 of them, the panny and the big one at 20 and the big one drop off couple years now. Because the panny my 18 in drop off.
Okay.
And Raga, when me go in licky salmon spanning yesterday, they hand me some receipts and come pay $100,000 out of the 120,000, Raga. So I saw now, make me end up with the 100,000, Raga, because I know some I go licky with someone, because I know some get the money.
Okay. And people, 100,000 Jamaican dollar is, that's nothing, with all due respect. You know, I know that enough people for some people, but as I say, in general, in the scheme of things with kids, 100,000 Jamaican dollar is nothing. Nothing.
Let me tell you something. And the back to school is not an easy something. Because you see what the pitney them want to go to school, Raga, them send parents to go thief. Raga, my son say want spray ground. And when me go out and I check spray gun price at Mandeville, 28,000, 30,000, 25,000, depends on the type of material we make in a Raga. And them there's something that they want figure at school. You understand?
What them call it? Spray gun?
Spray ground. One bag. When Jamaican people tell you one bag when they catch up the spray ground.
Spray, the bag name spray ground?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Raga, one school bag what they have.
Oh, spray ground. Some people are, some people are post it and think them know it. Oh.
Yes, Raga. I eat them want and for them shoes. Me never talk about the shoes them in Raga. For them shoes must bigger than their head. But me tell him say him at the last one me ever seen at school and him report was good. I'm not gonna lie, him get one certificate. And when it comes to information technology, him clap the highest grade at high school them are going to Raga.
Very good, very good. No man, him should really jump in and do something for the youth them. But at least you're getting some sort of response from him by using the authorities and thing, man. So that's why you go and hold it and push through and sitting, you know. And I hope if this type of thing reach him, he would of his own volition without you having to do something to get him to do so. You know, kind of step up and do him can do for him youth them and things, see? You know, that's what we expect from a responsible man and things, see?
Him say me left him and go bill for myself, so at time for him to bill himself. That's the reason why he don't give me any of the money. But Raga, as we say, me never did
that have nothing to do. That have nothing to do with
never did that look for nothing.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna go to some other call. But what I'm saying is that not have nothing to do with his responsibility to his children. Right? Whatever you and him have, however him feel about you or whatever, that shouldn't stop him from doing for him picking them. You understand what I'm saying? So that shouldn't be an excuse, but in a care, I'll if you say you get $20 billion, he must still be a father to him children, you know? All right. Summer seat.
He is a wicked man. Make him stay there with him wicked. Me say God I go meet them by the way. Cause the worst thing when you have your picnic and you are eat and you don't know how them eat and you say you're a father, you boast so much picnic you have. You know, make no sense. He's not a father, he's a sperm donor.
Right.
And Raga, me I tell you, said this man me have a England here. This man help me with them picnic, Raga. He send them a school, Raga, and he send me a school to Raga. He send me a school, Raga. He send me to nursing school for 1 year, you know.
Oh, really? Okay.
Me go a nursing school, go do practical nurse and phlebotomy technician and geriatric, you know. But Raga, to be honest, you know, them they're not really my thing. For me certificate, them they in a put on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he just send me a school. He say you need to go to school, go do something, and me just go and Raga me do well. Me not gonna lie. I did very well.
Yeah.
In those area. And then no, before he send me go to school and me pen academic. And me did go to cashiering. That's the first thing I did.
Right.
But Raga,
he was always there for you and thing, right?
Raga, me say him to send them from school for 10 years now. Him a school them, Raga. Their father no school them. That the man the school them and put shelter over their head, food pan and table. Send them go to school. Raga, when he come with there, he can one phone for me. He can one Ultra 25 come give me, and he can one next I don't know if my son one. He can one phone come give him. Cause that the big one, they love the big one, you know. So he call him Big Head.
Alright.
So
but here what going Turkey good as we're gonna take some other call now and thing. But me just want big up a general who did it for them and thing. And him bring Samsung S25 here, that you say, right?
Yes, Raga.
Right, okay, cool. Listen, no, I mean, it's not about the phone, but I'm saying that is a good thing, you know, because Lanoy, she still have the Samsung 13 she work with. You darling, we are 25 and things, so we just want some respect to him and thing and everything we might do. And big up yourself in a Turkey good as and we're glad the show they are entertain you and keep you going and things. See,
but they have it. Now, come like off the stove underneath the pot, so I'm gonna fry up my ackee and saltfish and now I'm gonna eat my food.
Alright, hold on. One last question before you go.
Yes, Raga, may I listen?
Yeah, when you're going to do the ackee, what the first thing you put in the pot?
When me I fry up my ackee?
Yeah, what the first thing you put in the pot?
The first thing we put in the pot, me not put the oil in the first, Raga, the first thing that you put in the pot.
All right. What the second thing you put in the oil?
When the oil hot, me put in me hot pepper and me season and me cut out like me sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper, what else?
Me onion.
Onion, what else?
Sweet pepper.
Look at onion, yeah.
Scallion. Yeah, me don't know about nobody else, but me love garlic, so me mash the garlic.
Garlic, Jamaican thing, all right. So and then hold on. So when you put in the garlic, you scallion, you this. And also, you put in your time, don't?
Yes, Raga, it last you put in.
No.
But if you not
Hold on. You just say it last. But me say, when you just put in the thing, them you put in the time at the beginning. You fry the time
No,
too.
Raga, me not put in the time in it because when you put in the time in a pot and it fry out in a left too much steam at this time.
In other words, you don't fry the time, don't it? You don't fry the time. All right then, thank
After
you.
we fry up the
No, you don't need to say, no, you don't need to say nothing more. That me just want to ask you. Because you know the people, the people over here in them group. Me not call no name who will come try drape me, no can't drape me. But the people over here in them group who fry time, right? Them put the time in the after them put in the oil and fry up the time. Them over here. Me just didn't want,
after we done fry up everything, me put the time right in at the center pot, make it get
all right.
Friday.
Get the little flavor at the time. Argument done. All right. Big up yourself, Turkey good. And me just want to make that point. All right. Yeah, man. Cool. Just did want to make that point there, yeah? Because I have some people over here going like them take off idiot with them fry time crew. We're not looking at them. We're not looking at them. All who yo, all who watch the show right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you watch the show, you know, so you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Afro Latina, big up yourself, you know. Follow me right now if you're not watch the show, if you're not follow me yet. Follow me right now if you're not follow me yet. Let me see who for Peps and Johnson, Era. Okay, big up yourself. Somebody follow me there now. Sweet Mango. Some Mango never did follow me. She Brighty. Claudia, big up yourself. Lush, yeah. Fitzgerald, Boswell, Large. What you drink today? Iced coffee that I made, which means I'm not gonna sleep tonight. Denise Hall, you are so kind. Thank you. That is a bit of an exaggeration, but the intent is to be kind and much appreciated. All right, blessings, man. We have the thing, you know, get catch a gibbon mix up, get catch a gibbon mix up. And this with the get catch a gibbon mix up. Tonight is a sub live. I forgot to put in the thing them and then, you know, get out the mix up them again. But again, people, later on, when I go switch over from this show to a subscribers only live. So this show is going to switch over to a subscribers only live. So when that happens, sometimes someone will get upset, I don't know, and come pepper me. But again, I just want you to know that the reason I'm doing this, I can come here every night, is because of the subscribers, so they get their special local show. And also that the subscribers only live, it's very saucy because it's an outer order subscribers only live, okay? It's an outer order subscribers only live. So the language changes in the sub lives. It's very open, liberal. Some of you might say raw, okay? And the subject matter is heavily sexual. So it's not for everybody. Someone can't manage it. So we understand that. So I'm always taking care to forewarn you so that when you go in there, you hear people attack with the F word, the P word, and all these things. You're not shocked, you know, and repulsed, right? But it's also Peaches and Cream. So it's very informative. It's very educational. And it's very revealing of stuff that it's kind of helpful if you know these things, all right? All right. Yeah, and lately we're lately we're in a class too, you know, with it, see? Blessing. Watch it right. Get catch a gibbon mix up or any other mix up on get catch a gibbon mix up or any other mix up on just give me a mix up when I want to know about somebody who get catch a gibbon. That's our thing there, all right? Whether you did get catch a gibbon or you catch your people them a gibbon or you know somebody who get catch a gibbon, call in and give it a mix up, yeah? All right. Oh, and if you want to subscribe, you just click the star with the circle at the hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yes, hello.
What happened to this phone now?
I'm hearing you.
I think it's accident.
Eh?
My hand touched it.
Oh,
I think
you
my
didn't.
finger just touched it.
Oh, you
I
didn't
was
mean for
trying to
come.
do something. No. I
Okay.
was trying to do something on the phone.
Okay, and then you accidentally touch it.
Yes.
Okay, but you're okay though.
Yes, I'm at work listening to you.
You're at work listening to me, and is work going good?
Yeah.
Is work going
Yes,
good?
great.
Okay.
Yes.
Anybody that they are trouble you? If anybody that they are trouble you,
No.
tell me because I'm go over come drape them up and kick with them foot for you. Yeah.
I just me and the lady here.
I just
Right
you and the
here.
lady, and the lady now do you nothing bad, right?
Sleeping.
Oh, the lady
Sleeping.
asleep. Oh, you're taking
Yeah.
care of that lady.
Yes.
Okay. And the lady, she not understand Jamaican.
Nothing.
All right. No, man, you see, people like you have a lot of people who do live-in work and they take care of people who are infirmed in various ways. And a show like this means so much to them, you know? So, and it is
Yes.
my pleasure to provide a little entertainment and a company there for people like you, all right?
Thanks, right.
You're most
Thanks a
welcome,
lot.
all right? You take care. All right, then. Good.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right. Yeah, man, big up all of my truck driver, them and them people and sitting. Madhead, just subscribe and thing, large up yourself, another subscribe and thing. See? All right. And remember, everybody there right now, if you're not follow me yet, make sure say you follow me now and thing. All right. Get catch a give bone mix up. I can go in here and see, talk to somebody. You know, so I'm not going to drop asleep tonight. John one. Coffee, you know, I really should stop. All right. Hello. All right. Now, that sound like hospital, you know. You hear the beat? Yeah. This person like them in a hospital. Yeah, you can't just pick up them little thing, them more wine, you know. Yo, when you in them thing with me, you know, you have to understand background noise, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. Boom, badam, bam, bam. Hello.
Hey, Raga, good night.
Good night.
How you doing?
I'm doing really, really good, honestly.
You not start behave yourself.
No.
You must behave yourself, man.
No, I don't know how to.
Okay.
Well, in my
Anyway.
book, I am behaving, you know. It's people look on with me, I do and say me I misbehave, but I am
No,
behaving.
you don't have no behavior, Raga. You have no behavior.
Oh, I don't? Okay. Well, pray for me then, you know.
Yeah, I will.
All right, then. Talk
All
to
right.
me.
So I have a story. I don't know how much of a mix-up it is. I don't know. It's from my best friend. He's a guy.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's just stupid or dumb.
Uh-huh.
But you help me to tell me what you think.
Yes.
So he's married.
Yeah.
And he's seeing this girl. Well, he was seeing this girl. This is a long time story.
Right.
She is also married too. She recently I don't know if my background noise is sorry.
Yeah.
All right, so at the time she had recently purchased a house, maybe about a year, and she was doing some additions to it.
Yeah.
So he met this girl and, you know, talking to her. He went and visit her.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently they were going back and forth. They They meet up. And so her husband, left the house one day to, I think he went to the airport to pick up some family member of hers. And apparently he was in town, or they had planned, she had planned that, hey, the husband was going to be going out to pick up somebody. So you're like, okay, you can just stop by. I guess she wanted to show him the house. You know, it would be the first time he would see the house. You know, as I said, she had recently purchased the house and whatnot.
Right.
So they were there at the house, according to him. And she kept calling. She has children too, but the children went with the husband to pick up the family member from the airport.
Right.
This is in the US, by the way.
Right.
So the kids, she called one of the child, or the bigger child, to ask where they were, just to make sure that, you know, he's still out. Yeah, apparently, I don't know if the flight got canceled or delayed, and they were on their way back from the airport. He was there in the house. Anyway, the husband came home quicker than anticipating, or faster than the time that they had originally
intended to return, right?
So my friend was parked in the driveway. So the husband came home, blocked the car behind, because he's like, you know, what is this car? I'm not expecting anyone here. He came out, and now, because apparently the girl was telling him, hey, you can't stay long, you know, we're just showing around, showing you the place and whatnot. But he decided he wants to get more than just showing around or showing the place.
Right.
And we were there, he didn't want to leave. Husband came, blocked in, boom, opened the door. They both panicked. The good thing, they were fully dressed. The guy, he said to me, he had to start talking in Spanish. And as I said, you remember I said in the beginning that she was doing some renovation. So she had other, like, you know, Mexicans come and look at the place and to give estimates and so on. So I tell you, because he's fluent in a few languages. He speaks Spanish really well. He speaks different languages. So
yeah.
So the husband is Jamaican. And man, when I tell you, he started talking in Spanish. Oh, I'm just here to look at the project back here. He introduced himself.
El pared necesita un color diferente. Señor. Buenos días, señor. Yeah. Soy el trabajador, you know, para reunificar el edificio. El pared necesita un color diferente.
Exactly.
¿Es tu esposa? Is this your wife?
And he like, so this dude.
Yeah.
The husband knows nothing, like, huh? What? Okay. Oh, you're looking at the job back there. And this was night, mind you. This was darkness had already fallen. Yes. So a part of the wife's story was, she actually had somebody coming out to look on the place, and the guy had already canceled. And I think the husband know that there was somebody there to come and look at the place. So I guess her story was, I called the guy and he had changed a plan and he was in the area, and you know, so he just
but
came
what
back.
time? But you said it was night. What time of night was that?
It was like maybe around 8-9 p.m. like, and it was in like maybe winter time, so you know how dark falls early.
Yeah, dark falls, but still 8-9 p.m. a worker in your house.
Exactly. And yeah, I'm like, bro,
yeah, that was an interesting sell. So did the husband fall for it?
No, I guess I don't know, because apparently you know, him and that girl end up being together. They living together now. And I said, my friend who was married for 30 years, yeah, him and his wife, they actually got a divorce, and him and her, the husband separated. Her husband separated, and they actually
And they're together now and living together.
bought a house together, and
Wow.
apparently, and the house that they were living in was the wife's house. Apparently, the wife was the owner of the house, so the husband moved out, and yeah.
Well, no, but him wrong there, so, as a bonner man, he says as a bonner man, you have to have discipline, right? And you can't lead with your rifle head, you understand what I say? So you say, right there, so now, him for us knows when she say like, yo, no man, him going to the airport to the pit and them is safe. First of all, as a bonner man, you shouldn't have no reason to go to the woman yard. But it's a simple little thing them there, don't go to the person yard.
That is
You know,
true.
understand?
That is true, and that is why I keep saying, like, bro, you either just brave, stupid, or foolish, cause and he's one of those guys. He's a nerdy guy. He left Jamaica early. Yeah, he's a nerdy guy.
Okay.
He went to Arden in Jamaica, and then he came right after.
Yes, he went to Arden. He never got Calabar, so he would even know for me. He never go Calabar. I don't even like KC, but you don't know it's a KC man them. Calabar and KC ever were. But you see Calabar and KC man them. We know about, hey, we are stepper in the thing. We don't go this time. I say, she come say that to me. I go say, B, you mad man, I want to anything can happen and your husband come back. Or B, you mad, you want me to.
And that's the thing. As much as he's a nerd, and I've known him for a while too, he's a risk taker. But I've never known him to take that kind of risk before. And usually that's something that he never does, like, to go to another, he always tried to do his thing discreetly.
No, but I say, even if that a go on and thing, you not go there, so you say, oh, him going with the kids, them meet me so and so.
Right.
She leave for her place and we link so and so. When the husband come back and I see her, no, I'm down by the strip mall at the pharmacy and thing like that. Boom, you go back, you understand? I want me to him. You know what's see what you see what the place I run right now. You see that catch man in a man I catch you in him house, them type of something there. You remember the mix up what day where the man call and say come home and him wife and we use a fictional name for the bonner man, Chumpy, and the man come and say, yo, when he move, I'm back out the machine and go look for Chumpy, take it through the window and gone and whatever. You need to avoid that, you understand?
That's true.
You see it. Well, at least
it's the whole switching in the to the Mexican was a thing for me. Like, dude, like, oh, Emmanuel, and so from that, we
no,
gather
me like that. You in a position like that, and the man come up to all me, and thing or whatever, and me are the Spanish guy or whatever, and the man say, can you say my Jamaican? Him say, who you?
Oh, yeah, exactly what you said, the man said.
Man, if the man say, who you? I'm like, ¿qué dices? No te entiendo.
Yeah, I'm like,
so hablo español, soy de Guatemala.
And the thing too, so even though he's Jamaican, he looks like Dominican, because people actually think he's Dominican a lot of times. And the fact that when he go out or when we hang and stuff, and then he's like the kind of guy, like we're in a restaurant, or because we have what we call like a group of us, a beer group or a wine group.
Yeah.
So when we hang out and certain people are talking, they don't understand, or depending on, he just automatically switched to whatever language. So the first thing for them, like, oh, you from Dominica? Like, no, I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, well, he spoke his way out of trouble right there. I think so. Give that. All right, big up yourself. Thank you for that one day.
Yeah.
All right, and I will try to behave myself.
Please do. Try harder.
All right, I'll make an extra effort, okay? Just for you. All right, then, blessings, okay? Cool.
All right,
yeah, man. Thanks for sharing. So somebody in the chat posted the following. Sometimes your husband is not your husband. So you cannot let your husband stop you from finding your husband. Let me read that again. Sometimes your husband is not your husband, so you cannot let your husband stop you from finding your husband. All right. Oh, yeah. Ladies, a sound going out there. A sound of things set out there. I got you thinking easy. All right, get catch a gibbon mix up. Get catch a gibbon mix up for any other mix up on have a Ragashanti live on TikTok. Who wants a big up for big up all TamFam as large up. Remember my birthday party, Saturday, September 20th. It's just like what? A little over 3 weeks. All right, Saturday, September 20th, Amazura in Queens. It's a grown and sexy affair. The best of the 90s, 80s, early 2000s, and all type of thing. Big people, something festive and elegant and thing. Come out, have a good time, get your tickets. Again, Ragashanti birthday party. Wait name, Ragabash. Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party, okay? I want to say enough respect to the DJ, them and selector, them over there. The legendary Glamour and thing scene. Big up yourself, Glamour and everything is everything scene. DJ Roy outside of our Jam Radio, and of course, my little charge, yes, it, my little brother DJ Chris Cross, one of the greatest selectors out the road right now. Echo Vibe Sound, Jimmy Q and the whole works, and a whole bunch of other selectors who are gonna come through because of Ragashanti something, so you know, up the something. See? Where again? Queens, New York at the Amazura. Yeah, get your tickets, people. And if you want to buy your tickets directly from me, just send me a text at the following number. Send me a text at the following number to get your tickets for my birthday party. Ragabash, send me a text at the following number. 516 500-0210. 516 500-0210. 516 500-0210. Just send me a text for buy your tickets for Ragabash, my birthday party, Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens, New York. We have an Afro-Latina in the chat. I'm just somebody now named Black Latino 36. Black Latino 36. See, so it look like we have some Spanish link, you know, come that thing, you know. Yeah, bienvenido a todo. Bienvenido a todo. Venga, 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 venga a la familia que se llama TamFam. Yeah, that's how we're there. Just here I look a mix up a while ago with the dog jump up in some Spanish when time him get catch, you know. Sometimes that I forgo and though. So the thing said, but yo, burning rule, people. Woman or man. First of all, you should not. Let me tell you something. You see, if you take somebody who there with somebody else and them live with the person who them there with and you don't know the things that and you are work with it, show some respect, man. I mean, don't go at the house for your safety. But even outside of your safety, show some respect, man. Right? Show some respect. Right? You keep it 100. You take your people, them husband, you take your people, them wife, you take your people, them man, you take your people, them woman. If them come to you with any of them carelessness to just tell them, say, no, we're not going to your house. Not go to your house. No, you know, your family and, you know, we're not going to your house go do nothing. I know someone who love them hype there, you know. Yeah, man, I love them hype there, you know, and I take people, man, I take people, woman, I know for shell them out in them bed. Man, I go lie, well, not burning, but when I did younger, I did love when parents, them not like me. When the parents, them not like me, when you have a little girlfriend and the parents, them not like me, I used to get a high for sort out them data in the parents them bed, you know. Yeah. Me used to get up and that's something them man back in the day when me young, you know. And then, yeah, you go high school and thing, yeah, go whatever, college and thing, and the parents them not like you, whatever. You know? I don't want you talking to that boy and whatever, this and that. Sometimes I love sort out them data enough for them house pan them bed, and when them a style me up and thing, I'm gonna keep back and say, watch you know. And last night and thing me in your bed and all and sitting there and whatever, and pity, you know. So them kind of hype, they will get you in a trouble, don't you? Some of them love take people that never ever and love go up here. Now make nobody make you go and nobody else. But nowadays, you not so much camera they both now. Camera pick up everything everywhere now. Right? When police are investigate certain things and whatever, this and that, what them do? Them go check the ring cameras at the neighbors' apartments, you know? Them look at something there. Them go check the CC camera where they on the corner store. The camera there everywhere, you know. All satellite. The Google sitting. The Google sitting, you can go online and look right for one address and see outside and whatever. You don't need no whole heap of technology and thing and you can see whatever. You understand what I say? Right? So, just for your own safety, you better go to the yard, man. If you can't afford for burn somewhere outside of the person yard, nobody give nobody be a bunner man and a bunner woman then, all right? Nobody do that. Or even if you can't go hotel or whatever, find a neutral spot or whatever, then no go on a bush, man. If you don't want to lie down on the bush and thing, make sure all a coconut tree or all something and bend over. You understand? Yeah? Navlet, who know Navlet? People don't know, well, I know that, not Miss Navlet. Who don't know Navlet and thing? You know, back in the day when Navlet did that, take all people, for this and that and make Navlet tell you, you know, Navlet did have to go a bush, go do a couple of them things there. You understand? And be one with nature. You know, anytime you do anything environmental, them say, it's green, this, green, that, whatever. So Navlet did have to do enough green sort out. You understand? I should never have the, you know, a bonner man never have the hotel fee and thing like that. Hold on. Wait, am I Navlet that? Eh? Navlet, are you that? Hold on there. Are she? No, man, no, not you Navlet. I want different Navlet that, you know? Yeah. So, no, big and serious, no, man. The safety thing, the people not see the video, then people come home and I catch people and I be a machine and rinse off and thing and shut a rinse and thing and whatever. Now, make nobody come tell on them something, man, about if you come at them house and all them thing, them. Nobody run them risk them nowadays. If you not go do anything out there, one away. I don't do it at all. See, the people that say them about, and that be a secret camera thing out there now and all them something, that be a that go on, all you in the house and things, whatever this and that. And the way the thing them set up now too. People can't anywhere in the world. People, you can't buy a look at cheap camera, put in one look at flowers, put down whatever. And people anywhere in the world and I see the camera real time on them phone, a come on thing that no, just the same way you see them do it with the ring doorbell and all them something there. I see them with the thing them set up. Differently from your ring doorbell. So I say, if you don't know say them thing out they say, what you gonna people house for? If you do something on the claim, so you're supposed to hide and do. Now eat that. Nowadays, for hide and do certain thing are the hardest thing for you know? Camera there everywhere. Hello.
Raga, I just got
Wagwan bubble gum.
Raga, some of the at here, but I just got preoccupied, and you know IPA laws, and yes, I work in a nursing facility, so I'll call you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I can tell you something before I go quickly.
Yeah.
Nobody speak. If you know, open the mouth in here. Quiet people. Oh, I have a friend. Him go but no man go there with all that woman and bring one bed bugs. But I'll tell you about that.
Well, no, him do what?
And bring one bed bugs, go get it. Yeah. But me tell you about that.
No, but well, no. But what you mean? No, we need to know. What you mean bring on bed bugs?
He cheated. But the
And
yard when cheated had bed bugs. Say, bring it back to him.
Jesus. One on. Him name Squeaky?
No.
No, I'm Squeaky. Okay, I'm just that.
Not us. I gotta go.
All right. There goes some man. Blessings, man. Cool. Yo, what a thing, eh? You can bring one bed bugs and thing and all, your husband or your wife or your man or your woman and say, then how bed bug reaching your son and thing and get catch a give one mix up or any other mix up one have get catch. Hold on, this thing is messing up. Okay. Get catch a give one mix up or any other mix up one have get catch a give one mix up on. People. Talking about bed bugs. Chink still the boat. Hold on, Chink still the boat. Chink still the boat. All who know what chink is. Wait, chink is bed bug, right? What them call bed bug, I will Jamaican call chink, right? No, so. Right? Right. Or somebody said no. No, yeah. What them call bed bug, I will we call chink, yeah. Old school, of course. Yeah. That's bed bug. We call it chink. I don't know. I will suggest if you are going to risk a relationship or whatever, or you are going to bond with somebody and the person you are bond with, them have chink, right? Have some shame. Have some shame and don't bother go back this and go waste your sort out, all right? Have some shame and don't bother go back this and go waste your jokings. Again, if you are take somebody on the side, you take a woman on the side, a man on the side, and when you go a fit them place or whatever, you go catch chink, you go catch bed bug or whatever. Don't shame your body them way there, right? Don't shame your pony them. Respect your pony. Respect your body. Do not carry your pony or your body someplace where is infested, with chink. That's why, that my body talk to me, Me and my body, we have conversation, right? And my body have attitude. And my body I say, you check out this thing. So even if you make a mistake again, my body will wild me up and be like, big man, you seriously, I carry me go back this, so after you go subject me to them type of abuse that from the chink, them will bite you up and whatever, you really go back this, so. Yeah, that's why I'm glad to my body have like ambition and principle, And my body will argue back with me. No. If you carry me go back this, I am not going to stand up. Yeah, my body would have tell me that. Say, listen to me, do not go back there, because if you go back there, I'm not going to stand up. So if you don't want to embarrass yourself, don't take me back there. Right? So have those conversations with your pony. Have those conversations with your body and say, is it right for you to subject your genitals to that type of situation? Seriously now, you are going to say you have a side man and a side woman and you are catch chink around them, bed bugs around them and things. No workless, you're workless. All if some bad blessing follow you or some crosses follow you, have nobody to blame but yourself. Because you can't lie down where you're consciously know say chink there and whatever, this and that, man. Raise the stature for your body or your palms, man. You understand what I say? Give it some royalty type of levels type of thing. But you say, no, I can't really go this to go put on my body this and whatever. You go all a woman yard and whatever, you see all a place and thing. You may tell this one time, long time. One time I go and be a reason, and thing, I reason good, I tell you, proper sitting reason and thing, and them days I go woman yard. I go say boom and go a yard people. I must say one fly factory. When me say fly, me never see so much fly one place yet. Me never see so much fly one place yet. I remember say I go there, me go there forget look at Joe Kings, you know, cause me and line her up long time, you know. And when me go there and whatever, this is not happening. Me saying am I, you know? I may take time, draw a card and whatever, something come up and thing. Them time me I wear watch, I don't like watches now. I say something come up and thing, me have a Lego and whatever. I don't know what, but too much fly they did this summer. You understand? Yeah, man. Respect on the body, man, and respect on the poems, man. And about a subject your instruments and you think them to certain type of scenarios that they don't deserve, you know? Yeah, we're going chink infested place. Worse if you know before and things. Slackness. Yeah. Thing unacceptable. No, don't do it. Stop it. All right? Watch your right. Get catch and get born mix up any mixer. Remember in a sub live later and thing, all right? You know, somehow the man him not care, you know.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, yeah.
Yes, sir. I mean, I really have nothing but on cheating, but I'm going to give you a story about the bug, the bed bug.
Yeah.
So I go, yeah, my friend left got sent to this bed, so we are go work, and a person give my friend a bar work. So you know, I thought we go down there, so I thought we are hang out at the bar and go and work and enjoy ourselves. But every morning we get up from the first night there. We get up, we have this multiple bite on our skin. You know,
yeah.
We bathe the first night we go down there, so kill with dead at the water, and me's carried one and we have running water. So me I say, oh, St. Elizabeth people don't have no running water. Dirty water bump up our skin.
Yeah.
So we did that every night we go to bed, we turn to the left side nyam off, we turn to the right.
Yeah.
We had bite from head to toe when you look on our face, any side of sleep and nyam off.
Damn.
I ask the people in for the bar, say, I want cast we skin for stay, so oh, we don't know. Here we idiot now. Oh, probably the water because I'm running water from pipe we use in Clarendon. And
Yeah.
the jam water, we don't use to the jam water.
Yeah.
Then down with go pharmacy at junction, buy up silver with skin. We could have buy tell that Kingston coming next morning half a win half
Same way.
Raga, when you look power way, no spot, no space for the power when I bite up. Hey, it look like we have leprosy. Oh, we bite up. Everybody say, what do you know? We say, oh, it's the water we allergic to. Anyway, the girl mother come up and we assure her we skin and I say, oh, we skin see, and she say, no, a big woman, so she say, no, sir. I don't know what I do no something. Me a show now what do no. Raga the woman get one knife and bust the people their mattress. And take one big and we go right cause they have the bar and then they have the shop and the bar.
Yeah.
So she said, go buy the beer gun. But you was see, you know, make my mother not throw me out, you know, me put in the party. Me get another work about 3 days after. So she alone left down there at the bite. So when her mother come now, we go down, they go tell her, say, sit now bite you up with she say, yes, no pound of skin. So the woman say, all right, give me one beer gun. And Raga the woman bust the mattress. And said, say na mattress. Cheer! We can't cuss bad word. Raga, when you look at bug, I run out time mattress in the room. I run you. Run. Me run and call me mother and say, be a bug a bite we. Hear my mother now. Hey, don't blood clot your back your clothes then come here, you know, because you cannot.
Yeah.
My mother say, hey, don't blood clot your back your clothes then come in on my house, you know. Because one chink a chop. A chink, Jackie, a chink.
A chink, yeah. She said chink, yeah.
You don't know a chink. When you're looking at ceiling, Raga. Listen, Jesus Christ, I've never seen so much bugs in my life. Some little black bug. Them bust like pop. Me said, Jesus Christ. So my stuff never catch no chink because I did move out a couple days before. But so that's my experience with bed bug. Never again.
No.
The
What
people
that?
them still don't throw with the mattress.
And I'm still not sure it way. Yeah.
Still don't throw with the mattress. We leave them leave the bar and the mattress still in there. Then put your son like son can't get rid of chink. Wickedness, rather.
John, no, I ain't know say. Me ears. Yeah. What that go? No, go on, talk. No, you talk.
I call a couple years ago and give one stone joke, you know, but you good on one woman, you go stone her, you know. But
For what?
no, me
For
man
what?
me go for. No, me man me go for.
No, you have to tell me the full thing, all that did go.
You want me remind you? But a
Yes,
long time.
please. No, yes. Well, you have something in my phone. I go and make up. I don't know where you have one thing.
Cook, all right. Me can't cook in the pot. So, me and my man live, but hey, that story long, you know. It long and mix up at me say.
Yeah. You the part something I go something I scrape in my phone. It not sound loud to you.
No, some have nothing on it.
No, you the part earpiece or Bluetooth or something like that.
No, like that. Because my phone don't good.
No man, something we hear it. It is a scraping sound in iPhone. I like that.
Still?
Yeah, we hear it. Yeah.
Oh God, I don't know what's causing that.
Is there a wind or something that blowing around you or something?
I'm in my kitchen. I don't have nothing making no sound. Nothing, just my son with the TV in the other room. Let me go up on the veranda.
Yeah.
You're still hearing it?
Right here. Go on. That's something in the phone. That's something in the phone. But go on.
So, eventually, me I date this man, and him come tell me, so when I'm ex-sick, so I'm keep, and I run up and down and see a man with the ex. Me a young girl, younger than the both of them. You know, a big man, young girl, I date big man, cause, you know, I say, you know, the look get to go. So, him always with the woman, me have no problem, cause me can help man, a man help me. Me no jealous of what you do. Family come in, make man where man do born me. Anyway, me find out every time me and him have problem in turn down the road, but in the have one of them under car there. When him a drive it to the pan,
Yeah.
I don't know what him do to the muffler, but anyway, in there in the pan, boom.
When them soup up, them look a car, yeah.
Yeah. So me a hear him a boom. So me a say them well on there. I don't like girl you ding gone. Come here, listen to the car engine and go like boom.
Wait, just a second. This algorithm, it's saying your live is flagged for hate speech and hateful behaviors. Repeated violations could result in your live being discontinued. Submit feedback. Well, because me no know.
What we do?
No, man. The algorithm, it just misinterpret. Okay, my live does not contain the content mentioned in the notice. Okay. All right. Submit. Let me see if anybody pick up anything where you did say. Nah, it's not bed bugs.
You're using up the bad words? Oh my God.
No. No. It's not. It can't be chink. Come on, people. Yeah. All right, but go on talk. Just go on talk. And yeah.
Me realize, I say, but I'm ex-woman still, but it look like I done them gone. So me know rain did a fall down there the road bad. So me pay a man 300. That time you could have like 300 of gas and half full up your tank. So me pay the man say, drop me down at the woman yard because you're the problem now. That's why you have woman, you know, for sure the new woman with the old woman live, you know. Because you're not gonna if you go walk back where you go there and the woman go find the damn yard. Raga. Every time
say that again.
When time you have a new woman, don't show him where your old woman live. Because just in case you want to walk back where, you don't know when the woman will pop up because you show the woman your old woman yard.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So, him gone down there now. So I say, okay, I don't have the woman yard gone. I can go for you. I can come for you. Because what? In the Kingston, one man house one time when me young, you know. Come from friend and me. Say, all right, I gonna friend to woman. Me gonna one man. And he come and no say I run at the man yard me there and come stone the man house. So since as you can stone man house, anyway, them you come for you to you for 30. Me's a Capricorn, right?
Yeah.
Capricorn, so me stay. Anything you do, me do it after.
Okay.
Anyway, go down to the yard, but the place dark. And I whole heap of house in the yard. So me I say, how can I house in the pine pan again? Cause more damn house is a big yard there. So me say to him and say, if you car over there, me now come back. So watch you do it now. Park yourself. Let me go look if me see the car. Cause if you car, me I go come tell us if it gone. I got me tap up in the yard. When me look, me see the little car park up. Me say, oh, just run up back to the driver and say, him there, yeah, go on. Raga. Me don't know what we should know the house, the man in. So you're me now stand up. You want to see me, my bright, dry eye too, you know. You see what look on 1 house, 2 house, 3 house, 4 house. How should I know this house, man in? Anyway, let's find out. Bongo, me shake the car.
Oh, hold on. Okay, you know, somebody make a good point. That's a very good point you just made there. The person said, well, them have, I think the word she intended to use, pejorative. The word where me see what some people did try say to me. You see the word where we use for bed bugs?
Yes.
It's a derogative term for people of Asian ethnicity.
Oh.
Right. The CHINK. It's and that is true. It's a long-standing word where people use to. It's equivalent to it's almost equivalent to, in its usage, to the N-word used against us.
Oh.
So at a word that they hear and think that we were basically right.
Our apologies.
Killer Miller, we don't need to restart the live. Something in your phone, man, I do and wally pass something like one monster in there, man.
Me have to go move.
No, are you moving the phone? Is the phone a move with you?
You can be there or me sit on one place.
You don't know why you have the phone on your shoulder or something and it a rub on either your blouse or something. And that's it.
Let me take it out of the case. Let me remove it from the case. I'm one gear tonight.
Yeah. I chew you move around. Something, and it a rub on something.
You still hearing it?
We're not hear it now. Yeah, we still hear it, but go on, talk. Go on. But something you hear something. We are hear it, man. It loud bad.
Oh my God.
No, man, your phone a rub on something. A rub on your phone, which part the sound part there.
Not take it out of the case and say if any change.
No. Do you have it on your shoulder when you cook or something?
It's in my hand. It's in my left hand right now. Nothing is on it. I don't know what's going on with my telephone, with my phone.
Well, it's something. It's a rub on.
That sound anyway? Oh my God, it's that bad?
Yeah.
Let me come out and come back.
No, it have nothing to do with frequency, you know.
Oh my God.
No, man, it have nothing to are you erring or something a rub on it, man?
In my hand, I'm looking at you like I'm looking in my phone screen. It's in my hand. Nothing is on it, no earphone, nothing. So I guess my phone is not good.
Oh God, we're hearing it. It's loud. Well, so me are the first person to tell you about it?
Yes, nobody has ever said anything about it. Let me turn down the phone then. How it sound now? How it sound? Bad still?
No, it sound right. Hear you. Yeah, go on, talk.
All right, so when we go to the house now, I started to shake the car because then I don't know which door to knock on. So I start shaking the car and me I spin around like gig me and me I shake the car. Cause remember, people had me in people, anything can happen. So I look way over one piece of cut. Me see one door open. When me look, me see him stand up, no shoes. She come out in a Gyanzi, stand up in the back door area. I look at who I shake him car with him cutlass in him hand. So me stand up, so I walk come out there. So me say, you me come for? You kiss me. Me say, you me come for? You kissing teeth and turn back. Me now, you come stone people house. Me come for you and me ready and you me come for me now left you down here. So, me see him turn back to the house because as me see him now have no shoes, him now have him glasses, because the car affected him, just come look at what going with him vehicle.
Yeah.
Raga, me see him kissing teeth and turn back, me walk back at him, go over the woman yard, So when me I go over the yard, me see one big rock stone, you know, the old time house where they make out a wackland doll with that little rhinestone business. They like it can't when you drop it shell out and dusty.
Yeah.
Used to one big one in the track. Raga me take me two and take it up and me have some long fingers so me hold it up in the ear so. Cause me can't hold it down, you know, me have to hold it up cause heavy. And walk back at him. When the woman see me, I come the woman under the house and lock the door. Him go now and knock on the door. Open the door. The woman now open the door.
Well on. She running at the house and lock him out.
She running at the house and lock the door, Raga.
No, she wicked.
She running at the house and lock the door.
She wicked. Yeah.
So when him got to know in the pan, at the door, me take out my shoes and my glasses. Mama nah budge. Mama nah budge. At the door, me take out my shoes and my glasses. No mama nah come. So me I say, then if she nah come now, he must go come back down your shoes and him glasses. But this not gonna work out. So me push the door. Me push the door. Me say the door not have no proper edging and no wall it much. It's just like I must nail them use catch it on the other side because I cannot make it could have shiver so. I know good door. Raga, the man kissing teeth.
Yeah.
The man kissing teeth and walk off. You hear me? You gonna know you have to come back. Me just ease off his Raga and me go with my big foot. One kick, Raga. Cause the woman lock the door, but she not gone away no. She lock the door and stand up back at the door. You see when me kick the door, Raga, and mama that me see far back at the door, you know, and run down in the next part of the house, you know, Raga. Me just bend down when me look. When me look, me see the man slipper, the man sneakers and him glasses put on panic. Me just take it up. When me looking at me and me have this big stone in my hand, so me I say, well, on, when me I do it,
why waste the stone? Why waste the stone?
Mr. Raga, me just turn back his Raga and hold up the stone in my hand. With me two hand, I say, yes, I in the house.
Yeah.
Me say when me look, me say a big gravel. Me say, oh my God. Anyway, me jump in at the man car, but them time me look a young girl, so me that smoke. So me have a cigarette to smoke and him never smoke. So carry me up in the car, out the cigarette in my car. So me say me not out the cigarette. Alright, come out of my car. Me take dry in a rag and come out on one lonely road, you know. But after me kick off the door and drop the stone and I tap on me, hear the girl I call her brother. He never beat, he ain't wanna beat me. I tell the brother. So when the man let me out of the car on the road, when me look at the brother, me see. But the brother always a look me. Me say, oh, come carry me.
What you say to the brother? What you say to the brother?
Oh, come carry me, go me yard. Come in and know where you go. Yeah, I try my sister, man. Me no business with you know, man. But try my sister and him call me have to come. You know, me don't really want to come still, you know, but me have to come here, man. Me come.
Yeah.
Me say, come carry me, go me yard. Come in and walk go. Yeah. Pass one long KMP's two side of the road now. Next me go for man and next man contact me and take with some pan all that go. So the brother carry me go up on the bicycle. Wow, if you see me and the brother, I don't know, look up about 3 miles, man, if I ride on bicycle, carry me go in a Raga.
One answer, my two of you on the bicycle will go
what
up.
You mean? Then he must carry me go in my yard. Then his sister make me come down, they come to him because I'm a man. You know, must have carry me home as the brother. He can't let me find one.
Well, but no, your man supposed to carry you home, but you got to take dry and come out and show up. Hey.
Raga, I am unruly. I remember January, my man, I'm very out of order, you know. The man said stop smoking on my vehicle. Then a man carry with him at around.
Well on. January people, January woman unruly.
Yes, Raga, we're very unruly. Very unruly. Are good people, but until you piss them off, they're unruly.
So Capricorn woman, them unruly, don't it?
Yes, they are unruly.
And them stone house.
Let me tell you, a good woman them, for me, a good people them, but anytime you pull them from another side, they can be very dangerous.
Yes.
I really set of people them to deal with. When you get them mad, when you cheat on them, lie to them, it's like you take out one demonic side of them. It's uncontrollable. It not have no end. We're pretty. You understand?
And them stone house. And them stone house.
Yes. Oh yeah, Raga. If you me fling stone like bullet. Me fling stone. Raga, when you fling stone, no nothing normal.
All right. Note to self: be careful of Capricorn woman. Them love stone. Okay, good.
No, but a good woman them too. You know, a ride and die woman them. You know, a woman them will feel you. Yes,
Yeah.
a woman then will sit down with you, a woman then will fight with you, a woman will back you, a woman then will not leave you behind for suffer. If you're good to them, that's
Right.
me.
Them
Me,
all
Mr.
them sort out stay, them sort out up there.
Where I go? Me no know what they always tell me say sweet. Everybody I say sweet. Me no know
Everybody
how sugar.
okay, them, but you add them all that tell they say sweet and it up the line. Okay, good. Yeah.
I don't know. Then Raga. So brother carry me up. The man couldn't manage me, Raga. Raga, that the man they try some things after. A Raga dangerous man too, you know. Love all kind of stuff. Raga, them the story can't even talk on TikTok, you know. Raga.
Yeah.
That the man ban is 12 of September. That me no want no more September, man.
No,
Me?
hold on, stop right there. Stop right. The man where you say is a dangerous man a September and ban.
12 of September and ban, Raga. That the man the wicked, so till Raga. That the man the wicked, me mean Raga. Wicked, 100% wicked. That the man they nearly pronounce me Raga.
That not have nothing to do with Virgo, man. September, man.
Listen, the man by the 12th of September, the man wicked, Raga. You know the man do me Raga, me get the man. Me and the man live too much years. So one night, I said to the man, say, yeah, cook as his father, then him be done in father house. So I said to the man, say, you cooking? Him say, yes, him a cook. I say, where you cook? Him say, pork and dumpling. So I say, all right, me not about to cook. When in the night, the man come up with the food, Raga, and me go, broop, and biting at the dumpling. Me teeth fly right through flour. I want to go. You know, flour no need good, no make good, no stay good, so it no taste good. You know, some dumpling you eat it and it nice and mild. It's a flour just chaka like a tan and tan for and fling in the water and tan for and fling in a patty just big and ugly. And you know, tight like when the man make the flour. I tell you, I'm there with the man, so I know when the man cook, you know when time a person cook what you're there with. You know? Yeah. So when me taste the pork gravy and me say, but I know this man I cook this food. What kind of food this here? So me say, oh, yeah, you cooking food? What do you food? Me say, are you cooking food? Yes. Me say, are you cooking food? No, sir. As such and such, me bake cooking food, Raga. You see, girl, when say bake cooking food, I want dirty food. Girl, every day see girl walk up and down with the foot pan the ground. Dirty. This girl never clean, nasty. The man make me name dumpling fan dirty girl. Raga, me eat him better bun in the gimme. Better me come catch him with one girl in my house more than make dirty food girl cook flour give him for me, me.
So that make you say wicked as a September man.
No man, he do me wally part of something, but that one the worse than anything else. Even if he did take me life, that would have been worse one, Raga.
No, I'm violate this, so I'm sure not do that.
Make it dirty foot girl cook, even if you're either there with the dirty foot girl, make it dirty foot girl cook food and you can't come make me eat. Mr. Raga, Mr. me look on the girl and yo, Mr. Raga, me say.
Now, hold on, and him know say, she know say, him and you are juggler. She know about you pan that level, right?
I mean, that hears me and the man, but man always gonna be man. Raga, you some man, we have them good, top class woman, and them are there with Angelo out road with not even a dirty foot girl, dirty girl. Yeah. And them are sleep with the Raga.
A careless kettle. Yeah.
I make the girl cook the food and like him think me an idiot. Me say me eat him to make me bite that the girl dumpling.
Yeah. Wait, you say you eat him for make him go make you bite the girl dumpling.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Him shouldn't make you bite her dumpling. No, him go wrong this. And then what happened after that?
You can't imagine not even look rice, steam rice. So you can say whatever you wash and train I pat dumpling.
Oh yeah. That's something there, you know. People touch about that thing there, you know.
God man, I think about I'm still vexed after 11 years me any relationship. Dumpling, Raga. Me not ramp with me food,
so you
you know.
Hold on, you said that worse than if him did burn you, don't you?
Better me come see one woman sit down on him face, him head, him foot, him back into me no business which part. More than make that the girl there, that the nasty. There's never time you see that girl and she clean, Raga. She ever dirty. She ever filthy. Her ear never put together. She's always dirty. Always dirty. And he must sleep with her. You know, if me even find out time I sleep with her, I don't care. Because you reach a time in a relationship after you start with a man, you tend to not care what you want to do anymore. Because him do so much of a foolishness, you don't really care. You know, if I read in a relationship, you reach a point you don't care. You don't care no more. But for him make she cook the food.
Yeah, you know, man, him wrong up this, so.
Oh, man.
I'm wrong up this.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah.
Well, anyway,
John.
I tell you, as that was my bed bug challenge.
Yeah.
And you know, so and I love your show. I love your show. Remember after me the call and get that story, me I will eat more, you know. You know, say
Yeah,
what?
no man, you forgot because you tell Mixup nice, you know. Let me tell you, I'm doing this for a while. You have some callers when them call in. I don't need to say much. Just make them talk. You're one of them, you know? Because you're just naturally entertaining, you understand? Yeah.
You want me to give you a next story about the same girl? Come me give you a next story.
Yeah, about the dirty foot girl. Yeah, man, make we
No,
hear
not
that
the
one.
dirty foot one. Raga, that sick me stomach. Me trying not to remember it. Oh God, me now, you know, that was a story that did. It's the same woman when me go take me baby father out of fear house.
Yeah.
I go tell her how to take back fear man until me realize the man me take back.
Well, I say it end up breed for that man after that, after you go take him out of the house, though.
Yes, man, because then
Okay.
in time he tie me up, you know, so me that is stay put.
Him they tie you up?
Raga, when you hear me say man wicked, look must the boy kill me.
What you
And
mean
he
tie you up? What him do? Him actually tie you? Him tie you?
Raga, the man throw something on my food, nearly kill me. Everywhere me go, me run a guy Westmoreland, me there, I be a man, me I see. Everywhere me.
No. All you know, as somebody tell us him throw something on your food, or you just believe him throw something on your food.
I start having belly problems. I mean, like I'll be sitting here talking to you and my belly just start cut me wicked. Next to death, that's kind of pain you feel. You just drop a grung and just a curl up and like in the next 5-10 minutes to get up, it just fade away.
Yeah.
After eating, I live with the problem and get to find out he's been throwing things in my food, man. It's like me eat any food, anything at all, I eat it and it will be coming up on my stomach for whole day.
No, but why am throwing on your food and where him get it from? Where am throwing?
People serious and wicked.
No, but why him did that throwing on your food? What?
Time me and it nearly kill me, Raga.
No, but hold on, you not answer me, you know. What was it you found out saying did that throwing on your food? Were you able to identify?
No, I didn't get the chance to identify what he was putting in it, but from what he spoke of, what him say.
What him did say?
All right. After me start get sick and all different kind of something start happen to me, start tell my mother say, oh, a party me want people throw something in or something give me to eat. Yes.
Oh, he must say that.
Yes, he must say that. Say a people throw something or something give me feed, which me and him been throwing shit in my food all long. But it was crazy that for years, me I try run for the man, me run go all both over Jamaica, me try run go. And I think call and say I come back home, me no know what na be in me see me sit down a be in me see a church. Me go raga church and do train a prayer. Raga. And then my mother did do it. My mother did train a prayer for me. And after the train a prayer do him tell me say more kill my mother because my mother mash up a relationship. Yeah.
So voila, you know things are because you and him did there for a long while and you know.
No, he has done more things. He has several times like in my cleaning fall cub and when I clean my fall cub and me clothes them bury up underneath in fall cub and all that shit like that. It's just a lot.
No. I want to ask you just say one of this. Hold on. You're cleaning fall cub, right?
Not me cleaning it. He's raking up his fall cub.
Yeah.
And when he rake the fall cub, the rake grab and pan my jacket and dry it up. But before that happened like less than 11 years since me left him. So since me left him, that happened. But before me leave him, his father used to be very hateful and disrespectful. You know, there was one man and his father, they tell us, say, you know, if they with them, saying kind of have one kind of bitter way towards you because he know his son be wicked. Mm-hmm. And then the man said, his father, they tell me, say, me not forget no pitney with him because he wicked and all different kind of stuff. And I still did it with him as a young girl, you know. Mm-hmm. And then the father start turn upon me and tell me about why you can't left me son? Look like how you tie up my son. No, I mean me a God's child, me no mix up in a foolishness. But it's when your enemies them devour you and cheer with things, God always show them that you have done nothing. Mm-hmm. So after the day I go along with him and takes 2 to 3 months before him dead, him like on Wednesday like today, some man always then I'm yard I buy race sauce. You know, back in the days, old man used to sit down and study race sauce. Yeah. So them sit down and study the race sauce. And they have some dog in the yard and the dog would dig up my clothes, the man bury up my clothes in the yard and the dog dig up my clothes, raga, and dry.
And dig up your clothes out of the yard so your clothes it bury and things, yeah.
Very like it never very good. And the dog them dig it up raga and dry it come right in front of his father. Because you see me, it's me always a prayer. Me always a prayer. Me always ask Father God for just show people say what they said I've done. I've never done nothing like that, you know. So when the dog draw the clothes come in front him and him friend them, me hear him say, I must, cause he did stammer, and him say, I must Jackie clothes that. You know, cause he mostly see me in the clothes before, but he never really want to say, Jackie clothes that, you know, so him just say, I must Jackie clothes that. You know, and them never take it up, and in a night when him come from work, him take up back my clothes, them, I don't even know what him do with them. You know, so before the father dead, God proved it to him that your son is the wicked, not me.
Well, for people who are watching and viewing, I mean, she is right in that for a lot of people who believe in these things and the rituals they engaging to tie people, they have different one, but one of the commonest way in which, you know, people believe them can tie people, it very often involves either putting certain things together and throw it at sea, or putting certain things together and burying it in the yard of the person who is doing the tying.
Yes. He has
So
done a lot.
that is true in terms of, again, the people who believe in them something there. They have different thing, you know. But one of the common narratives in the different thing is to put such and such together, get them here, get piece of them cloth, this and that, tight pan, this and that, sprinkle this and that pan it. But very often it involves burying the things them in the yard of the person doing the tying. So there again, remember, as I said, for people who believe in that. So put it this way, it's not by accident that somebody are gonna find them clothes buried in the yard of the person who them there with. All right. And then again, basically she has said more than one time that happened, because I'll bury under fall Cuban and them something there. That's crazy. Yeah.
Even after me left him that come at my house a morning time, come in my room, come do all kind of crap. But Raga, me tell you something, I can tell everybody here. You see, when you pray, God answer your prayer. Don't ever stop pray. And don't ever make nobody make you dirty up your hand. Look to God and hold your hands into the sky and say, mighty God, whatever is going on with me, please don't make me hand dirty. Fight me battles them for me. You know, when you always a pray, God show you things. I just a whole. But anyway, sorry for come up with a kind of, you know.
No,
anyway,
that's okay. I asked, yeah.
I gonna tell you now what happened to the girl now, where when we go take my baby father out of our house.
Yeah.
She did start tell a bag of lie on me, but wait, not yet. Anyway, I met this man because now me left my baby father. So me met this man. The man just come from foreign.
Yeah.
And me went one of my friend yard, and the man come and, you know, meet the man, and, you know, nice man with look at things and everything. So being that you meet a new man, you start to tell the new man about your life and what your previous man do. Me love chat. Me love chat like a dog, because me I go tell you when next man do, if you ever come do it, me I go left you. So me I tell the new man say, me go kick off girl door, and me did that call up a girl name, and me did that tell the man long you ever story about the girl. Raga. All me did that chat off me mouth, and the man a into twin and ask me question, me feel good, me just step and brrrr, like a parrot, I tell the man everything. Raga, hear the man to me. You know, because the sister did married, and she never call her man and ask her man for no money to buy the dress, because my man money buy the dress, but she wear her sister wedding. So you're the man. You know, come here, tell the man all about the wedding dress where she went by, give her and something to when we got the wedding. So the man I listen and pick things from Fiend side and the relationship went have with her. And I say, oh, that's why she never come here and ask me for the money for buy the dress, because this a man you buy the dress. So the man I put one from my side to two from Fiend side, you know, and I look what she not do from what she not do, and you know what's gonna lie me I tell. So the man in some business, and Raga, the man go take back the papers them from the girl. Mind you know, if I did know that this was this woman man, me would have talked to the man in a Raga.
No, well, you know, so you assume, so you tell us something, but you never did tell we, you know. So the man, the man who you attack to, the new man who you start talk to, him did there with the same girl who did attack your baby father.
I'm personal woman.
I'm personal woman.
I'm woman this in a Jamaica, and she a cheat with him with my man, which way my man is our ex-man.
I mix up and blend that time.
No, hold on. This is true, you talk fast. You think say you did tell us something, you know, but you never did that. We could have figured it out based on what I said, but you never really explain it straight up to you and tell us. So, no. No, your phone I do that something there again. Some people are saying you did. The people are saying you did. But so
I don't have to lie. Let me tell you, I don't lie.
No, when I say lie, me just think you never did say it, you know. But yeah, go on.
I didn't know it was her man. I didn't know it was her man. If I known it was her man, he couldn't sleep with me. Me no run groupie. Me no like them kind of something. I don't want your man to be sleeping with me. If I'm gonna date a man and know say you for your man, me no want in a competition.
No, hold on, all right, you know. So the woman, your man abon you with a woman.
Yes, that's
but
her.
Right. But the woman there abon for your man with your man. And then now you know a mover from your man and a draw for your new man.
Yes.
But the new man was the man who, for the woman who your man did abon you with.
Yes. The same woman me go kick off her door. My baby father.
Yeah.
Woman is my new man, personal woman.
I mix up and blend that time.
And that time you and him start do so already, don't?
When me find out, yes, we start date. And the man up the raga, the man is a soldier, the man is a liar, the man, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, when me, I tell the man every little thing, because then me get like him now. Can you not go just meet a new man and just start telling him everything, so you get to know him and stuff, so you share look experience of life with him, being that he's also a big man. So you know you have to tell the story about yourself. So the man listens keenly, and then me hear him say, no, me think come back with some whole heap of papers. Some whole heap of papers. One whole heap of stack of papers. Because this woman is a bright woman, you know. So he was going to start a bread factory and she was going to be the manager and all of that and all of that. That plan did end at the pipeline long time. You understand? So when me start telling what's going on now, me go kick off our door and in our house, me no say no lie me I tell. Come me I tell him about his sofa where did they and how she run and in another room. So the man knows say me go kick off the door for you. The man knows say no lie me I tell and the the details then when me I give him about whatever go down. You understand? So when the man come back with the papers them, man him followers them, him said to me say, you know the woman that you just tell me about? I'm a personal woman. And the part where you tell me about the married dress, where the sister married and now your baby father buy the dress, I know it's not lie, because usually anything she buy, me fund the bill. And she never come here and ask me for no money for buy the dress to our sister wedding. So me no say, and a lie you tell. And when you describe in our house, you kick off that door there for show. Because I see him so the color sofa, everything how she run go. Him said to me, say, see the back room door where you kick off? Where she run go in at the hall where the sofa there. You understand? So the man knows I'm a lie me I tell Raga. You see when the man tell me say I'm personal woman, me feel away, Mr. Raga, me feel real bad. Why me feel bad? Because it's like me I walk there with the same set of money we are there with. Let me tell you why me say that. Remember, you know, my baby father is our ex-man, you know. You understand?
Your baby father is our ex-man, right?
Ex-man. Remember, see, I'm baby father, me go take out her house. She's still there with her ex-man. That's my baby father.
So you end up there with our ex-man and then I also there with our right-out man.
Yeah. So you know me feel that way. Come here says like me I walk there with the whole of this woman your man them. This not nice.
Yeah. No, it's crazy.
Yes, I never like it. So, anyway, my woman mad now, cause kill mama dead. Say, me know see a fear man and me go take her man, cause she must have send herself, so now me take the man, cause true she a take for me one. You know?
Yeah.
By the living and truly Raga, me never know, see the woman man. Raga, the woman start tell them new man, so sinting, you know, Raga. Yeah, where you it? My woman start call the man, I tell the man, say, oh, our two brother them there with me, and our nephew there with me, and me a whore, and this and that, and ask how fat you know, Raga. kill the woman dead, I can't use one no one take her man, you know. Mama start telling man.
Oh, okay. So in a fear man, you are take set panar, you know. In a fear man, every man you see her with, you want come take them, you know. And this what she did now, you know.
Oh God, Raga, my woman start tell some lie upon me. And see evening night when me come take when me tell lie upon her brother there with me. This that ask how fat and Raga, the brother and the nephew, you know, start say a chew, you know. They start chewing, you know.
But why them? And this are the brother who did carry home the night, right?
This same brother will carry me and one of the nephew. Them start say yes, I true. They've been sleeping with me for true.
But why them do that? Why she asked them to do it and then just do it for her?
Yes, because I them sister and I one of the leader in the family. I one of the sister where when everybody is there foreigner, she run up and down and do them business and she sit down with the father down the sick and she sit down with the father. So you know that sister, everybody like her, everybody run on the road and she sit down and do everything a yard. So you know you can't play with that sister there. Them not go like that.
Right.
So when me come down our yard now come create disgrace and then me call you sure. And they tell you about it, so it was a thing copy. Yeah, I hear you. What you say? What you say? You dash is to one. Hear me? Yes, Raga.
So Raga did involve me in it too and all. And you know the one Raga can go on when he hear them sitting there, you know. So Raga did a bantana to one thing. So look at Lord Jesus.
If I want tambourine. What you say? You do your dash is to one. I say you did not go on in a year, you know. Hey, your new name, a dash is to one.
Yeah, that sounds like something the one dirty Raga would have said, you know.
Yes, man.
That is hilarious, man. That is hilarious. No, big and serious.
Yes, Raga. So this spread all over the place. And people say a bad girl got a woman yard for man. Lord Jesus, Raga. So when all of that now, and then me can take it next man, a problem for me.
Yeah.
We can create this excitement and then go take the woman build up all our house too, you know, cause good man go in, you know, and put on a top for mama house and something, you know, and me just mash up it. I remember the bread factory did a start and mama did all be the leader in a hit. A bag of things me mash up for mama, you know. But Raga,
yeah, no.
You see me? Let me tell you, Mr. If I have known any of that, I would have never take this man, and then I would never even tell him about whatever happened, because then you see, me's a woman. Me not go dig wolf for no woman, no matter what woman do to me. Me not go do that. No, me go do that. Me did feel that way. After a while, me I said, John, I'm gonna do with this woman, man. So let me run the competition with this woman. Me a leader. Me not want to walk there with girl, man. Rest girl when me know me take one already and then go take two. That never nice.
Right. That they come over away for true, you know.
But that's John. You know, say me have a man right now and the woman can catch body and jump on the blood clot caravan.
You have to call her back and give her that one on a different day. Yeah. No, man, you're full of mix up like whoa, we no be.
Me not tell you one day, me have to keep it. There's a little piece to me have to say, me can't come up with that.
All right, yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Bye.
All right, man. Protection, man. Cool.
Yes.
Ja, no, hey. I can't see what she has to do, you know, if the woman in that position, yeah. So what that woman, yeah. She take a man with, you know, so the woman take her first man and thing and then end up there with her second man and whatever. But she has said she just never did know. She just randomly there with somebody and thing and end up share all these things with the man and don't even know, say, you know, the man who she take now, the second man, right? Because now her baby father turned her ex-man. But her baby father was her ex-man, is the woman ex-man too, where she did that take. And now she take the woman straight up man, which is now fear straight up man now. And so the woman I go think that, you know, the woman I said this a can't coincidence. I can't coincidence. You see a woman who come throw a big stone for my door and kick down my door and all them something there and whatever, you know. are the same woman who they with a right out man now and whatever. And end up go stop all of them food they from run, you know. Everything what the man did I go do for her, you know. Yeah, no time for me to go no maroon. It's time for me to go over to Sub Live. Right here, look how much people. By the time Raga get to me, you're not even in the chat box. Yeah, Maroon, you're not even in the chat box and you're posting in the chat by the time Raga get to you, time for him go. You're not even, you just come in there now. But you don't even in the chat box and you post them something there. All right, me quick hear what you say quick. All right, before we go over in the sub live. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
What? Raga,
Yeah.
you can hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you, yeah.
All right, let me give you a little mix up before you go over.
Yeah.
See, one lady called me and give me one little mix up with herself.
Mm-hmm.
So, the woman, David, one American boy, one American boyfriend live with up here.
Mm-hmm.
She bought in her 16 and the boy at 27.
She in her 60s and the boy at 27.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Carry the boy go Jamaica. Go spend 1 month. For the boy married her 35-year-old daughter for bring up. Remember, you know, she and him live together up here, you know.
Yeah.
She carry him go Jamaica for married her daughter. So our daughter can come up here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The boy papa breathe on the daughter down there.
Yeah.
And not only the daughter, he breed her niece too.
Well, the boy breed her niece and the daughter.
In a 1 month Raga.
I mix up and blend that time.
So well on this. So after she come up, them realize that door, right?
Mm-hmm. So she go in at the boy phone and swear the daughter text him, you know, send me something, come give me, you know, send me something. So she said she asked him, what kind of conversation you and my daughter, you know, hear the boy. So now my wife, what kind of question you ask me? Now, is my wife.
Well, the time I fear look a man when she bring down the just do a favor for your daughter, whatever. So you must say, yeah, don't know my wife. What kind of question you ask? I'm supposed to can't text my wife.
Right. So she called me Saturday night and tell me, so I said, she ball. I said, stop your balling and tell me hear what you say, no stop your balling, me can't hear you good.
Yeah.
So she and the boy catch up now. The boy pack up and gone back to Alabama. Change number. Pack up and gone. She can't hear from the boy. The daughter can't hear from the boy. Only her sister fi call her and start cuss and say boy do it niece. So the daughter call the boy say, ain't file for shit.
I mix up and blend that time.
Hold on. The daughter Jamaica who him breed call him now. And I said, walk me out the file. And me say, I ain't filing for shit. Hold on. No. You tell me what him say. What you say him say?
Ain't file for shit.
I mix up and blend that time.
Oh my God. No, man, I tell you, you say sweet, you know, you say. Yeah.
You see, we women we must be careful what we do still, you know. So
what you mean?
All our family turned down upon her, you know, she called me a ball on the whole place. Mr. Raga, you want to see me with me 2 foot a kick? You ever see when you beat Pitney and they lie down on your bed and have a 2 foot a kick? A kick on a cry. So me a kick for me foot, you know. Then me a do the laugh, you know. Not me belly, you know.
So when this is something where just happened recently?
Yes.
Yes. What you said to me?
Not April, she said them go down.
Yeah.
Just find out, say, the boy pop 2 breed down there, Bassa.
And then no, even not busy with none of them down there. That's how it go, right?
She can't find him, boy pack up gone back at Alabama. He's American, you know, he's not Jamaican.
Oh.
So Florida, and then he pack up and Ghana.
Ghana, Alabama and thing. And then do every care right there, because he ain't filing for shit.
He ain't filing for shit.
That bad.
Mash up this thing, son.
Yeah, no.
Raga, we take you back on me there.
The second back on me down there at St. Anne, see me, you know, down at Brownstone, you know. Oh. She down at Brownstone, man. Second queen, man, you know. They see me, I think. I'm glad me let you in with that one, you know, right?
From last night, I want to call you and let you and tell you about when me come in from work late, it went too late. So me say, what's that, Raga? I hear this way.
No, well, you know, so that's the line of the week, though.
Ain't filed for shit.
I ain't filing for shit.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
Dang. Oh, God. All right. No, that one the bad man. No, give it thanks to that one there, here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool, big up yourself, man. Cool. Somebody here, you know, and I call her, you know, people at the line that for the week, you know. I ain't falling for shit. Yo, what a piece of precking. Nothing about the general drop down there, you know, and I must say foreign link and whatever. You know, 60-year-old man, and you pick up a 27-year-old youth and thing and whatever, you know. Man, they just know life, you understand? They carry the dog go to Jamaica and all these things and whatever. And you know, I put pressure like, so wait, what you do I text my daughter? What you do my daughter? What you mean? It's my wife. I can't text my wife. What's your problem? I'm texting my wife. What wrong with that? But I'm a daughter, I'm just bring it down there for married. I ain't supposed to text her and whatever. And me and your dad. Listen, me I text my wife. Can't relax your 60-year-old self, man. I'm to your woman. You know, I'm going back to Alabama, yeah, man. And jump Alabama and the wife link him and say, so, what happened to the filing? I ain't filing for shit. January line that, you know. No, man, on the line that, man. No, man, she take it right there. So, we are go over in our subscribers live right now. You know. We are go over in our subscribers live. If you want to go over in another live, they have to, may I go on the time, who want to subscribe right now. Who want to subscribe for come over. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe right now. Okay, let me line up some things right here. So, because to me never get fear. Let me see. At sunrise, you know, I go on the time. I'm sitting. But anyway, come on. Those are the two main reasons where woman said maybe. But anyway, bless up yourself here.
All right, good night.
Well, I want to catch my stuff. But you didn't get flat pum too? What kind of pajama I have?
Hello, kitty pajama.
That me I tell you, look how you say fuck time now. You make the remember sub live, everything is straight up, okay? So me just a line up that's something I feel but I think what the cut things. Hello. Alright. The local numbers. We don't want to get the local number. The US number is 9. Yeah, me just want. 5, 4. Hello. Hello. What? The person was there a while ago. Wait. Hello. Me just a
What you
go
say?
move time for who want subscribe.
So all the
Subscribe.
callers them a call and a hang 'em?
No.
Oh, Zin?
Hold on.
Them have them time when
Oh,
time
and we're
them
going to
just
take calls
keep
too,
up
okay?
them fuckery. Hello. All right. That's one more again, though.
Me don't know. Me, I'm a satellite.
So audible out clat.
I got.
Yeah. I just feel them thing that when I'm ready for you, keep up them fuckery. Hello.
Well on.
I got.
Yeah.
All right, stop it right there. So, okay. That's it for me go through and search and things. So, people may asking if I look at latitude before me go over and whatever. I am going to go away for a minute and I'm going to do something. And after I finish, I'm going to wash my hand and come back and we're going to make the sub live. All right? But I need to go to the restroom for a second. We need to go to the little boy's room for a second, okay? So I'll be right back. Don't move a muscle. All right? Now forward. Who for subscribe, all right? So I'm going to come back where I go over. Cool. Oh, and the way to subscribe, you just click the star with the circle at the bottom of your device, the star with the circle at the bottom of your device, and you just follow and you subscribe for yourself. All right, my soon come. Check. All right, for those of you asking people to sub you, apparently you don't know, right? Nobody can sub anybody right now in TikTok, right? All right? Nobody can do that right now, okay? For TikTok, it's a TikTok thing. You can't do it. So people want to do it, but them can. No, other line go, I ain't filing for shit. That's how it go. But you can only subscribe for yourself. So you can sub yourself. So you can, the star at the bottom with the circle around it, you can sub yourself, okay? But you cannot give somebody a sub. So you can sub yourself. And again, we want people to subscribe, okay? So for people asking for somebody to sub them, that feature is not working yet. And my suspicion is that because TikTok is planning on going over into a new system with the subscribers, I mean, everybody thinks still safe, who are subscribers, but them are going to refer to it as super fan and whatever. I think that, Tani, I know you got a sub before. I'm just telling you that it's not working now. Right? So I'm just telling you, nobody asked for sub. You probably haven't been here for the last several days. But I'm just telling you that is not working right now. Right? There's a lot of people trying to give other people subs for the last week or so. And they can't. And when them go and we check on other people's pages, them can't do it too. But September 15th, TikTok is changing the subscriber system into something new. So I'm just guessing that it's something like that. People, the subscriber something, no one star with one circle around it. It becomes a diamond with a star when you're a subscriber. Oh. All right, then. See, people then say, yes, I mean, I know we're chasing the on my case, but see, somebody say it becomes a diamond with a star after you subscribe. Okay. Bubbles, you come in there, right? So, all right, you can subscribe for yourself. You're slush now. It's a sphere, not a diamond. You can't argue over fuckery. Jesus Christ. I want my tuna, so. Your slushy come in. It's a sphere. It's not a diamond. Jano, I want my tuna, so. No bill, man. My God, man, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. You see the sitting at the bottom on the screen, we have one circle around it. I that for subscribe here. That's something that were there at the bottom. The only one with the circle around it, other one there. Right? What the line again? I ain't filing for shit. Listen. Wait, I say right, and I ain't correcting for shit. At the line that, man, at the real line that, man, me I tell you, maroon boss it for me, I ain't filing for shit, right? I ain't subbing for shit. I'm glad someone not a sense like me, someone silly like me, and laugh off of everything, That's how they think there, all right? Yes, a couple other people still are coming there. All right, we're going to go over now, Now, man, man, at the bite of the week, that, man. At the bite of the week, that, man. I know when Maroon, she said sweet, Yeah, then call back the boy and the data link back the boy about the filing. The boy say, I ain't filing for shit. God. All right, I could go over now. All right. May have another sub live tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to go to my thing them throughout the day to and line up for live. Jay Berry Sweet say, my sooner tomorrow. Cause ain't nobody sending me shit. She said No, Jay Berry, all you ever say it is like, okay, we'll link on it tomorrow now because I'm not gonna get no sub tonight, because ain't nobody can send shit. Maroon, you don't know what you do, You don't know what you do, man. You don't know where you go bust up on right now, man. You really don't know where you go bust up on right now. God. But anyway. Now we're going to go in at the now me usually play a little preview or something. Let me see. Remember now, I'm not pick a call him, So I'm gonna play a little piece I want call. Right. I look up. And again, I'm not too like do this, because the regular part of the show, Some people can't manage them languages. So we're gonna play a little preview before we go over. But again, to my callers who are more on the, the decent side, or to my Christian callers who you don't want to hear certain language, now is a good time for you to stop listening, okay? All right? To my callers who are not used to certain raw language and thing, you may want to stop listening right now, okay? I'm just giving you the opportunity to stop listening right now. I'm just going to play a preview of one of the type of calls that we take in the sub live, or the type of subject matter that we deal with, and the type of language that we deal with in the sub live, okay? So if you're approved, correct, I understand, I get it. It's not for everybody, okay? So now is a good time to stop listening if you fall within that sphere, since we've been using that word. Okay, here we go.
Our equipment now work good, and the people that might hang up.
Now tell us how the people that might hang up. I'm not ask you.
I know they might hang up.
So how the blood clot you come through a while ago?
I don't know, I'm a satellite phone 1 hour.
No, but you come through. Now I tell you, say, we know what we are talking about, and we know who are do it. All them up there, and them them come together as group and say them like them want to tie up the line, but them get fucked because the Skype line just full out, All call come in, them just put them on wait and thing and whatever, so them can't really tie up the line them with. Anybody call I go through see me. So what you say?
I'm just a call to say good night. That's all. I got no story.
So well on, then for your call, that me I tell you, look how you say time now, you make the sound there in the background I play.
Oh man. We do homework, you know, I have to just sit on the computer.
No, but we cannot hear the sound. We get a feedback and that fuck up the thing.
All right.
See it there we are here, but all of the listeners them are hear it and it don't sound tiny in a chat and she screw up a thing and what. Oh, me just go freestyle because I never get to pick out the column today, yeah? Good.
All right. You see, me move from there now. All right. Start company, me move. Gosh. You worse than my grandfather, may I tell you.
You have to turn off the blood clot sound when you call because you listen to the show all the while and you know say you have to turn off the sound but you call and not keep up your fuck.
You know what?
Can't bet your drawers dirty too.
You know what?
And people, again, remember, this is Raga 14 years ago. 14 years ago. I'm a good behaving boy now. Look on your drawers. When last you change your drawers? When last you change your drawers? You have on a yesterday drawers and you come here hype. Eh? You have on a yesterday drawers and you come here blood clot hype. Why? Why you come with such big chat and you have on dirty drawers?
Raga,
eh?
You know what me I talk to you right now?
What? What you say what?
Talk to you. You know what, Raga?
Eh?
I just come from school.
Yeah.
I'm going to take my nice hot shower. So I come talk about dirty drawers. I'm going to have on no drawers right now. So don't even talk.
You don't have on no drawers right now? You're too lie.
No.
What you have on right now?
I have pajamas. I got to my bed.
Oh, you have on, what you wear as pajamas?
What? Like a winter time, I have to keep my body real warm and I'm a sheet.
So what kind of pajama you have on? What kind of pajama you have?
Hello Kitty pajamas.
Eh?
Hello Kitty pajama. You know,
Hello Kitty pajama. Oh, describe it. It long and baggy?
No, it's short. It looks short down with a tank top and
see it?
You know, I'm looking
what kind
nice,
of material make it? Eh?
I know. But it was after then call it, I don't know.
Nah, oh yes, I know those. So nice and soft and Beachy. Go easy and I know I do Beachy. Don't give me no instructions, here. Alright? You keep on a post just I know I do. Alright? Alright, Beachy? Let me run the thing. Don't okay, cool. All these things.
Mm-hmm.
Also it kinda hug your body like?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So it kinda the top suck on by your body or it just lay loose over your breast.
It's suck on. I mean I have a dobra.
I ain't have a no, so you titty them. You have sexy nipples.
You know, I think God cursed me because he give me one little flat nipple. I don't mean it like it.
Oh, yeah, one of the flat nipple woman then.
Yeah.
I know why you're vexing up, but I worries when you saw them, come like if you pull out a button. All right, we are going to go over now and take calls too. Right, so I'm going to clear the box because some people did there from the previous show. So I'm going to clear the box and a vex here. I just want people who want to talk sub-lifestyle. I only for in at the box now, all right? So if I clear the box and you want to talk sub-lifestyle, then fine, you know? You just forward back, okay? All right. I go over now. I go switch now.